through the counterfeit, I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get there with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me, yeah. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace, yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son.
Yo.
I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my
What up?
Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart be more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough.
Morning, chat.
Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you.
How's everybody doing? Happy Monday.
And that cross couldn't break you.
Party time. All right. Welcome in. Welcome in, everyone. Happy Monday. What up, chat? Good morning.
You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
Hope you guys are doing good. Hey, yo. What up? How you guys doing? One sec. Good morning. Happy Monday. Let me sign into Zoom. What the heck, man? How y'all doing? Happy Monday. Welcome in, chat. Welcome in. New week. Time to go. Time to eat. Oh, let me just sign into Zoom. What the heck? There we go. Perfect. How you guys feeling? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys are doing good. It's good to be back at the desk. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. W, hope you guys had a great day. All right, perfect. W's in the chat for all the W dads out there. What a mission. What a mission, fellas. But good to see you all. Welcome in. Happy Monday. What up, Louis G? Louis G's in the house. Z Gamers in the house. Got a Trade is here. LeGrand's in the building. What up, LeGrand? What up, AJ? Who else? Awareness is in the house. What up, Awareness? What up, Kelvin? What up, Zebs? Good morning, Richard Lewis. Praise the Lord, Richard Lewis is here. Buzzblab in the building. What up, Buzzblab? What up, JFX? Let's go, Flip. Okay, I see you, Flip. What up, AJ? What up, Xander? Mike goes in the building. Ewan is in the house. Good morning, Chala. What's up, Dropout Trader? The whole squad's here. The whole 8-figure squad is in the building here. Yeah, man. Yeah, chat, get used to seeing these names. These are some winners right here. What up, the Don? What up, Wags? Wiz Buddha. Good morning, Nikki. Good morning, Sunboy Comedy. Y'all looking at some winners right here. I'm telling you. What's up, Magnus? What up, Purpose? C Melly in the house. C Melly, hope you had a good weekend, bro. All right, give me 1 sec here, chat, and we're gonna get started. All right, perfect. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, come on in, join the free Discord. We're gonna be hanging out there a little bit more often moving forward. Free Discord. All right, let's get the day started. What up, OGH? Luna. I see you, Luna. AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? Good morning, Jeanette. All right, let's go ahead and start here. Welcome in, everyone. Let me share my screen. And yeah, I think I almost forgot I had a live stream here for a second today. All right, I think we're good. I think we're good. I almost forgot how to do all this. All right, sweet. What's good, Pete the Jeep? Pete the Jeep. Where's my music? Where's my music? All right, cool. All right, let's go ahead and get started, ladies and gents. Welcome in. As you guys settle in, give the stream a like. I'm going to pray for you real quick because I love you. I know I don't know you, but I love you anyway because I know who you are and I know whose you are. And I know that together we're on a mission here. So let's go ahead and pray over this week. And I'm going to pray a blessing over y'all, and then we're going to get the day started. Father in heaven, Lord, thank you. Thank you, Lord, for this community, Lord. Thank you for a new week set before us, Lord. I pray that you would do work this week, Lord, that you would move in the lives and the hearts and the minds of your people, that you would bless them, Lord, that you would bless their hearts, bless their families, Lord, bless their vision, most importantly, Lord. Help them commit to the vision. Give them a reason, Lord. Give them a reason. Give them their why, Lord. Let it stand out strongly to them so they know exactly why they're doing this, Father. We thank you for everything, Lord, even the trouble times, even the trials that we go through, Lord. We know that they're to test our quality. So we thank you for making us A+, Lord, and we give you all the glory. We thank you for going before us here this week, blessing our path, making it straight, and we thank you in Jesus' name. Amen. Amen. Hallelujah. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Game time. Game time. So let's go ahead and get started here today. Today is the 17th of June, so we are pushing, man, pushing, as Uncle Scalp would say, through this month here, man. It's been a great month. It's been a great last few months. You know, we've been able to see the markets very well. We've been able to adapt. We've been able to adjust very well, just like a professional would. So kudos to you guys. Congratulations to you guys who are keeping up with the markets, staying in flow, and just really bettering your game every day. You know, every single day is another day to get reps in, to get better, to to increase, the profitability in your business here. So today is another day to do that, man. So let's keep up the pace. Let's keep the momentum going, and let's dive into the 17th day of June here. So it is Monday. It doesn't look like we have much ahead of us. You do have a red folder here at 8:30 today, which isn't too crazy, but you should get some volume in from this. So nice little red folder here on Monday. Let's go ahead and dive into the week just so we can kind of get a lay of the land here this week and know what to expect. I highly recommend you guys do this. You know, you see me run through the same process day in and day out, and it's all about routine. It's all about a systematic approach, and the news is very important to know what's happening over the day, right, during your session, and even over the course of the week, so you can understand, how to plan everything. So let's take a look at tomorrow. Tomorrow we have core retail sales coming in. You got retail sales here at 8:30, so we should have a lot of volume coming in from that. You also have a bunch of yellow folder news events here, just members from the Fed speaking and business inventories and things of that nature. Wednesday, it doesn't look like we have much. Wednesday is going to be a bank holiday. I don't think we're going to live stream here on Wednesday. I'm going to be meeting with the mods and doing a few things to basically move TTE forward on Wednesday. There's not going to be much action during the New York session. I think Asian and London should be good. Yeah, I think Asian and London should be good, but New York is going to be pretty slow-mo. So we're going to take that day off. Going to spend some time with the mods and do some work with these guys, and get some awesome things popping off for everyone else. So Wednesday is going to be basically a blank day here with that bank holiday. But come Thursday, you're going to have unemployment claims coming in. You're going to have all these orange folders, and should be a good day. So not too crazy of a week. Regular stuff, couple red folders here and there, and then Friday you're gonna have PMI come in, and we'll see what happens with all that stuff. So pretty good week. We've got red folders almost every single day outside of this bank holiday here on Wednesday. So should be a good one. Should have a lot of volume coming in this week. I haven't really taken a look at the charts just yet, but let's open them up. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's get the day started. Yeah, Louis G, W's, W. Yeah, you guys ready for a breakdown? Did you guys break down your charts yet? I'm sure most of y'all have broken down the charts. Got a top-down analysis, which is great. And now I'm going to do mine. I'm going to kind of see where we're at here and see how we can potentially get some trades off here today. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at, let me just fix something here. All right, cool. Let's go ahead and look at the charts here. Let's do a top-down analysis, and let's see what we're working with on this lovely Monday here. So let's start on the weekly time frame here. Taking a look at the weekly, we are clearly trading within this area right here. So we're going to focus mainly on this area of price right here. Most recent fresh price action really quick. As you guys can see, you had a closure there last week, but it looks like we ended up doing a fake out right here on the weekly time frame. So we've kind of done two fake outs now, right? One to the top side here, and or right here, right? And then now another one to the downside here. So, just a nasty range on the weekly, and it's well expected, right? I mean, this weekly has been pushing up for quite some time, and now it's just exhausted. It doesn't know what to do. It doesn't know what direction to go. It's having trouble. It can't really, find its footing, right? So let's go ahead and see what that fake out and all that looks like on the daily. But all in all, if you're faking out here on the weekly time frame, you're closing bullish. You do have a wick to fill. I would expect this weekly candle after that fake out to potentially make a bottom wick, and then go ahead and fill that wick, and do whatever it needs to do after that. So pretty bullish here on the weekly time frame after that that fake out there. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on the daily, so we can kind of plan the day out here today. So as you guys can see, we've never broken through this support level here. So Friday's daily candle actually closed bullish, right? We were expecting Friday to potentially close bearish, right? Early on in the week, we expected these candles to push up, right? We understood that daily time frame last Friday closed right at support. The weekly closed bearish. You were going to need a weekly top wick, which would explain these 1, 2, maybe even 3 candles. We were staying below the range here, right? Staying below that overall range. Everything looked good to go down. You had a massive bearish candle, I believe, on Thursday, and then we never ever came down back into the support level. What did we do? We just never broke the low, and we began to push up. Not only did we push up up here, we also closed above. Let me get rid of some of these arrows. We closed above that range, right? Closed above that range right there, aka giving us a what? Fake out. Or I'm sorry, a breakout here, right? So you got clean candles moving up to the left-hand side, and this is the current range that we're in, right? So this is a nice clean range. If price does want to move up in this range here today, then you should see a nice beeline straight towards like 2380. It shouldn't give us much of a problem. Right now we're trying to see if we can actually flip. So let's see if we can do that. We have not actually poked our head up and even came up once just yet. So yeah, we'll see what happens on the lower time frames here, and see where we can go. But all in all, very bullish here on the daily. You have clean traffic to the left. You have a closure, back above all this, aka a breakout here on the daily, and we'll see what happens. We'll see, is it going to be a false breakout, or is price actually going to move up? In order for us to really say we're going to move up, I think we need to break that high at 2337, and then you've got a pretty clean range, I would say, up until like 2352-ish right there. So let's see how we can anticipate this candle right here to either flip up and move up, or re-break its own lows to move down here today. So I'm open for buys and sells, and let's see how we're going to find that. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. So daily's bullish, right? Weekly's bullish. Let's see what the 4 hour looking like here. So 4 hour candles have been pushing down, right? So this would explain our daily bottom wick at this point. As you can see, this candle, no top wick, right? So that's the top of our daily candle here. So this move down has been a opportunity for the daily here to create this bottom wick. So if the bottom wick is going to end, right, and if this is actually going to be the bottom here, then how can we find that out, right? What clues can we find on the lower time frame that support that idea? So if the 4 hour is going to come down to, and we're in sells, where would we be looking for opportunities to take partials, right? So if you had sells coming down here, I would say that partials in this case would probably be somewhere within this range here, right? And what happened? Price tapped into that range. So if you re-break the high, I think there's a very high probability that this candle here, this 4 hour candle here, may close bullish, right? And then that would support the idea that the daily candle is ready to move up, and this is your daily flip. If you end up pushing up in this way, you know, and then moving up, that's your daily move up right there. So let's keep an eye on that area. I believe that's 2317. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like on the 1 hour chart here. 2317 just happens to be a 1 hour support. So you have a strong 1 hour support here. You've also got a resistance at this point now. This is the range that you're currently trading in on the 1 hour chart. So you have very, very clean traffic coming down. You also have decent traffic moving up. Let's take a look at the 30 minute. 30 minute did somewhat of a fake out, it looks like here, and is beginning to head back down. So I think if you really want to play this tight today, you've got, this is your range, right? So you've got a nice, what's this, 36 pip range for that wick fill up top. You've also got a nice 30 pip wick fill or a range fill coming down towards 16. Now that is the 4 hour break of the low. That is also the 1 hour celery. So I think closures below there are not bad. I do understand that we are bullish on the daily, that we are not bullish on the 4 hour, but the daily and the weekly. But sells right here could allow us to get into this 4 hour wick fill. So yeah, gonna keep an eye on this area here, 2320, and see how we do. That is pretty much it. Yeah, other than that, I would maybe just look to take my sells below 2316 if we can't get them below 2320. Yeah, so you got pretty clean sells coming on. That's your 4 hour low. Let's go ahead and take a look at that low. That's right there. That's also your 1 hour celery play. So we don't know if this is a, technically this is a support right now, right? So I don't want to just pull the trigger because, you know, things are kind of, right, the lows are getting higher and higher and potentially higher here, but you also have rejection to this zone up here. So you have these rejections rejecting off of this support level, right? So I mean, I'm sorry, yeah, that's support level. So I think closures below 2320 will make sense, and then closures above 22 would make good sense too. And if we can't get it from 20, if we can't get sells from 20 down to 16, which is a 30 pip range, we get them below, right? We get them below 16, and then you got clean traffic going way down to like 07, I believe. So yeah, that's the day. Price is actually pretty clean here today on a Monday. So looking for potential sells below 2320, and then even more sells below 2316. Sells below, and then in terms of buys, I do like buys above 2322. That's us breaking the 4 hour high, and that's basically nobody knows nothing. Target's been tapped, and you may begin to see a pump up here on the 4 hour time frame, right? Keep in mind you have this area right here where price may not want to close below there, right? So if that's, let's say we've tapped target here on the 4 hour with this move right here, this candle will push down, but it won't necessarily fill the wick, and it will go ahead and break its own high, right? And if we're waiting on a support, well, if it's going to break its own high during NY Open, then you may get a push up like this before the closure. So that would be our opportunity to take buys there at NY Open. Cool? Yeah, I think that's it. I think that's the story. Trying to see if I can think of or find any other details here. But I think that's it. Yeah, I think we got a good read here. We've got good zones here, and let's just wait. Yeah, we got 8 minutes for a 30-minute closure. We've got 38 minutes for a 1 hour closure. So yeah, we'll see what we got. But that's it. That's my day here as of right now. These zones may change up a little bit throughout the session, but all in all, this is what I got. This is where I'm at here. Let's mark it up. Let's bring out the special indicators, and we are good. That's the day. That is the day. Perfect. Yeah, so targets for these cells, right, are going to be, first target's going to be 2311 here. So that's the first main support. It's really a minor support on the 30-minute time frame, right? Because on the 1 hour, it's very clean. You know, this area is obviously an area we have to pay attention to, and that's why it shows us that support on the 30. So that's basically the first range we run into after 16 here, which is about a 60 pip range there. So yeah, that looks good. And then the buys look pretty decent. Let's go ahead and look at the higher time frame for bias here for targets. So I mean, targets are way up here. Like if this is the daily flip today and the daily actually wants to drive up, that's your clean range here, right? If we put a line there, that's your clean daily zone, clean daily range here. So yeah, price could really push up today if it wants to, but we're gonna hang tight. I think the first area of interest for me is gonna be somewhere right around that wick fill, right there. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Yep, and then we'll look at other targets later on if we actually end up pushing through there. So that's it, folks. That's the day. Now we wait patiently. What up, Perez? Perez. Look left on the 15. There's cells below 2319. Right here. Yeah, that looks good. Little light adjustment. Boom. Yep, I dig it. I like it. What up, Landon? Good morning, bro. Time to take the beef money. Let's go. Let's take the beef. Man, go check out the steak channel. We flexed this weekend. Friday or whatever it was. Maybe that was Thursday. What's up, Dropout Trader? Yo, yo. You're welcome, NG David. You're welcome. How's everyone else's charts? Are they similar to mine? Do you have little it's okay if you have little, like, just where it could be a little bit off, right? Everyone's going to see the market a little bit differently on a day-to-day basis, but it should be pretty similar to that. What'd you guys do for Father's Day? Happy Father's Day to all the men out there. W men. Hope you guys had a great day. What up, Stephen B? When does volume start falling? I would say like July, like late July, August, and then it probably, I would say picks back up September-ish. Just think about it as like summertime, right? Think about school, right? You get off of school typically. When is that in the U.S.? Typically, it's like late June. Summer starts July and August, and then that's when people take vacations and things. Everyone's in chill mode, right? Everyone's in chill mode for the most part during the summertime, right? So the bankers and the traders and all them people are too. So yeah, typically I would say July, August, and then we get back running like September, October, November. December tends to slow down a little bit. In 2022, December was one of the most wildest times of my trading, but for some reason last year it wasn't as exciting. So yeah, some years they stay the same, some years it you know, it's a little bit different. Yeah, I'm almost on my 5th cycle here, like my 5th yearly cycle. So I've gotten to see price, you know, throughout the years here. Yo, Landon, I had to, bro. Had to. After a red day, you got to go get a nice steak. Something, you got to treat yourself for something nice, knowing that you pay the price to be a winner. Had to pay the markets a bit on Friday. Almost got back to break even. Took a buy a little bit later on in the day on Friday, and you know, probably got back one loss. Weekend was great, man. Weekend was awesome. Yeah, I didn't play any golf this weekend, so got back to my regular routine. It was a bit rainy here too, so I think the grounds were pretty wet for the most part. So I don't think I missed out on anything. I think if anything, if I would have played, I think it would have been pretty wet. Yo, yeah, 2022 was such a great year. Always force trades, especially, well, I don't even have to read anymore, you know, always forcing trades. That's not the mentality you want to have here. That's not the approach that you want to come in the game with, right? You want to be very picky, right? Very patient when it comes to trades. So you never want to force them. If anything, you want the market to force you, right? If anything, you want it to make it look so good that you ain't getting in. You ain't participating in the market unless it looks, you know, it looks fire. So get picky, man. You know, you're picking out investments here. What's up, Mia? Good afternoon. Will I continue live streaming in the summer? Yeah, we're not taking any breaks. We're not taking any breaks, chat. We're all gas, no breaks here. I'm not even gonna break it. Not even gonna take a break for the new year this year. We're just gonna keep on pushing through. That's it. If you guys are down to ride with me, let's go. Let's go. If you guys want to take breaks, but I'm not taking no breaks this year. This is a big year for me. This is a, you know, a data collection year as well for me. So I'm chilling. I'm hustling. We here. Last year we took like a week, 2 weeks off, man. At the end of the year, no point. Markets were moving, things were grooving. No point in sitting on the sidelines. Oh, you felt bad for me on Friday? I don't feel too bad. Thanks, though. Thanks. Time to eat. What's up, Dean? Dean. It's cheddar time, baby. Where the cheddar at, Dean? Hey, I'm new here. Do you usually drop signals when you see confirmations? Yeah, we'll keep you literally live update, live moment by moment analysis here. Yeah, when I see a trade, I'll let you guys know what I'm looking at. And this what I got right now, right? So there's I'm just gonna sit tight and wait until I get closures above or below these ranges here. So this here today is gonna be, so just so I give you guys a visual. This no trade range here for me today. So I'm not gonna touch anything in that range, but anything outside of it is pretty decent. So buys look pretty good coming up, sells look good, you know, on the way down here. You got pretty clean traffic, and that's kind of like my outlook on today. Otherwise, I don't want to get stuck in this range. Friday, we were stuck in a nasty range. Friday was very difficult to read price action. Probably the most difficult it's been in, I would say, the last like 2 or 3 months to get a read on gold there Friday. Hourly time frame was just chalked, man. Chalked. Fake outs everywhere. Fake outs everywhere on the 15, 30. Why not interested in selling gold based off the 1 hour salary? Because there's too much support here. Too much support. and we're also in pre-New York, so we're probably gonna wait on NY Open for the bigger move. Yeah, it's too much going on right here. What's a break? What up, Rich and Royal? Let's go, Chi. Hey, Nick, my win rate's about 60%. My losses are a lot bigger than my wins. Do you have any suggestions? Yeah, just manage risk a little bit more aggressively, I would say. So there's two types of ways to manage risk. I'm not going to dive into like a full teaching right now, but one is basically you manage risk a bit aggressively, and that's going to be off of just, impulsively, like breaking when it breaks its own high or breaks its own lows, or like let's say you have stops coming in. Like let's say you're in a sell and you got stops sitting up here and price kind of goes in your favor but begins to pull back, and once you break that high you could close your trade, right? So instead of taking the loss you would have taken, you can manage it and close it right there, and just kind of like at the first sign of things not working out, exit, right? And that's a little bit more aggressive, that's a little bit more impulsive, but it helps cut losses short. Now, the only issue with that is that we can come up and make a steeper top wick and continue and driving, right? But at least you'd still have, cut your loss short. The other way you can manage risk is based off of candle closures, right? So that's basically saying like if the candle closes bullish back in the range, then you can close it. So, but that's not going to help you manage risk and cut losses short. Sometimes you can. There's pros and cons to that style, because when you're managing aggressively and price comes back up, right, you're closing. But the guy who's managing off of closures, he's going to hang on. Now, there's a chance he can get fully stopped out, right? So that's the con when it comes to this style of managing risk. But the pro is that it can come up, break the highs, and then continue driving, and he still or she still participates in that move that they believed in from the jump. So yeah, that's what I would recommend. Maybe cut your losses shorter. Do things like, if price, let's say you have an advantage point down here, right, and price doesn't get there, what you can do is, let's say this happens and you're ready to close partials, but price never gets there. Once it begins to come back, you can basically close half your position at break even, take your stop from up here, move it to like back in the range, and now you literally manage your risk by half. So let's say you're risking 2%, right? By closing at break even here, you're now only risking 1%, right? 1%. And then if that 1% is sitting up here and you move your stop down here, now you're risking like literally like 0.4%, and that's how you cut your losses short. And your winners will be a little bit bigger now. Yeah, pushing. So the 1 hour celery play happening. Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah, 4 hour moving down here too now. No wick. So you may see something like that start to, remember what we talked about, this 4 hour candle? So we really want to see how this candle does. If we don't fill that wick and we start rejecting and actually breaking that high now, then you can definitely say, hey, we should move bullish here today, right? Like if this happens and you fail to break that wick, 9 a.m. moving forward, that's where we should go up on the day. But we'll see. We're pretty bearish here. What up, Lewis? All right, nice push. What up, Pablo? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Let's see what time Johnny Boy shows up today. John and Joe went to New York on Friday. So John's going to be in New York for like 2 months now. maybe longer. And I think Joe's going for like a week. Johnny Gems check. Hey Nixon's 2 to 3 hours a day on the charts is enough. How should we use extra time? I'm considering a master's degree. What do you think? Yeah, I mean, that's the cool part about trading. Trading only takes 2 or 3 hours. So whatever your heart so desires outside of that, I would recommend going, you know, having fun and doing it. Yeah, there's so much to do. If that's on your heart and that's a challenge that you want to, you know, challenge yourself with, by all means go do it. That's the beautiful part about trading, is it doesn't have to take up your whole life. Right? It does not have to be, you don't have to be here like your 9-to-5 job, right? A lot of you guys sit on the desk all day long. I like trading, but I don't like it that much. Yeah, I love trading, but I don't love it to the point where I want a new job, right? I still want my freedom. So, yeah, I think 3 hours, you know, your session, and that's it. You know, no need to really hang out here all day. It's like that guy. What are you doing? Who, me? Yeah, you. Nothing. Just hanging out, right? You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Yeah, it's always fun to pursue other endeavors, you know, like have fun, hang out, do something like if you want to challenge yourself with a master's degree, you know, some of you guys are into fitness, some of you guys are into other like activities. I mean, go have fun, you know, that's why we do this. We do this to have fun, not to go back to the life that we were already living, which was being tied down all day long and, you know, not really having the opportunities to, you know, do stuff. So, yeah, man. What are you doing? I love trading, but it doesn't love me back. Well, do you really love the game? Are you really respecting the game? See, the game is has a life of its own. Right? So the technicals are just one part of the game. But now are you going to understand the rest of it? Right? Because that's just the first part, right? We can teach an 8-year-old the technicals. But will you actually respect the game from a mental perspective? From a psychological perspective? Yeah, rejection here. You can't skip that. Yeah, there's so many different matrix too. That's the thing. Right? Like the matrix, it's not just one matrix. There's matrix in everything. There's even matrix at the gym, man. Yo, how many of you guys go to the gym and they got the air conditioning blasted. It's like, how am I supposed to break a sweat out here, bro? I gotta go in the sauna to break a sweat. I come out, I'm freezing. Like, come on, man. You gotta break the matrix in the fitness centers and go work out at private gyms or just work out outside at this point. There's too much blue light in the gym anyway now. They got big screen TVs everywhere. Holy, we here to watch TV or get some work in? What's the difference between your strategy and a Raja's strategy? I don't know. To be honest, I don't even know. It's pretty similar for the most part. The big difference is the experience level. Me having about 3 to 4 years in the game, like with this trading style, and him having like 8 or 9 years. You know, he's got some years on me, and that's cool. You know, I love learning from Raja. How to avoid the 30-minute fake out. It was a 15 celery. Where's that? What time? 30 fake out. Give me a time. Give me a time. Yeah, give me a time and we can take a look. Do you plan to live stream when you're a millionaire? How do you know I'm not a millionaire yet? Huh? Huh? Me no speak English. The difference is Raja roast us. Raja be roasted. How I purchased, yeah, I would say if you're on a funded account, 1 to 2% risk. Hey, we're all crypto millionaires, right? We're all crypto billionaires. Raja roast? Word. Was there a time in the beginning when you didn't lose a stop, when I didn't use a stop loss? How did you overcome it? Yes. Oh yeah. There were times where I blew accounts basically in one trade. I would load up accounts. There was one time I was loading up accounts with like $600-700, and this is when I first started trading this type of style, when I first started learning from Raja, and yeah, I was trading with no stop loss, all that. Yeah, I would get stopped. And you know how we trade now, right? So, you know, when I was trading earlier, I was using like, let's say like a Fibonacci, right? So I was doing something like this. And let's say if I was going to enter at the 50% level, I would be keeping my stops like way up here, right? Way up here. So, you know, they very rarely get hit for the most part. And this takes time, right? This could be up and down, blah, 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 until you finally get to your target area, right? But the stops were much bigger. So when I first started trading this style, I had to adjust, right? Because now I wasn't leaving my stops up there, because Raja was teaching, hey, if you're gonna take like a sell here, let's say where you take a sell in the next candle, you can leave your stop above the previous candle high. All right, and I was like, okay, cool. So, but what was happening was I wasn't leaving stops, right? I was just, it was hitting there. But I was thinking, you know, well, you know, the other strategy, the 50 thing, but the problem was I was over risking too. So I wasn't able to even last for the Fibonacci stop loss, right? So I would just be getting stopped all day. And, you know, I wouldn't, it's very hard to manually trade close a trade in drawdown when you're new in the game, because you see like $100, right, as an example, negative 100, and you don't want to close that. You're like, maybe it'll come back to break even and maybe I'll go in profits, right? So, but then it goes to negative like 200, right? And if you don't want to close at negative 100, you definitely are not trying to close at negative 200, right? So you're like, same thing. Hopefully it can come back down to break even, you know, and do what it needs to do. But next thing you know, now you're negative 400. Right? And who's ever been there? At this point, that's where you take the paper. Whatever. I guess we'll just blow the whole account here. It either turns around or my whole entire account's gone. Who's been there? Come on. Come on. Just me? Just me? Right? So that's why having a stop loss is so important, because when you have a stop loss, you're taking your hit, you're taking your L on the chin at that negative 100. You're not losing your whole account, and you're living to trade another day. There you go. Am I lying, chat? Come on. Been there, man. Been there. Yeah. So that's when I realized having a stop loss was probably something I should be doing. I'm figuring that out now. Yeah, there you go, man. There you go. Let me just say, always, always. Let me ask you guys this. Have you ever seen me take a trade with no stop loss? Right? There you go. Yeah. So that's really what kind of made me say, okay, let me do this whole stop loss thing. You go back out, your wife's like, how was trading today, Great? You're like, huh? Great. It's going awesome. Fantastic. Yeah. Yep. Learning a lot. Moving and grooving. Awesome, honey. I believe in you. You can do it. Yeah. On my funded. Hey, yo, Xander. Nobody knows nothing about that, bro. No one knows nothing about that. There you go. Order the steaks. It's going to be a great night, honey. Are we still getting steak tonight, babe? Yeah. Yeah, just order them. Checking the bank account. Do I have $70? Trading works great. Yeah. Having a system, man. Yep. So that's why, having a system, and that's why when we talk about trade management and I, ramble on about these points in which we look for, stop loss, TP, advantage point, these type of things here, entries, right? There's a reason why we want those in place, and that's the reason, right? We want to make sure we always know what we're losing. We want to make sure we're always okay with that number too, right? That way we're never quaking, right? We don't want to quake. You don't want to quake in your trading. If you're quaking, that means you're probably over risking or probably over trading, and it's really nothing to quake about. It's your own fault, right? So you just gotta kind of get back to where it was before, and yeah, quit doing that stuff. So you got NY open here in about 10 minutes. So I'm gonna sit tight, wait on NY open, and see where we close here. 36K subs. Yeah, we hit 36K subs. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. 36,000, I should say. Subscribers here, man. Yeah, W. It's almost like we just overlooked this stuff now, right? Like the first 1,000, we were like throwing a party, and you can't take things for granted. So I really do appreciate like all the love, like it's an honor to come up here and lead and teach and serve, and it takes a lot of sacrifice. You're gonna, whatever you do, it's gonna sacrifice in a different area, and I'm happy to do that, right? Because there's a mission here, there's a calling here for me, and that's to really make people better. So whether it be in trading, whether it be in real life, it's just cool to see that people are getting value. And this is really not me. This is just a plan that God placed in my heart. He said that he would do it. It would just be up to me to drive the bus, right? And he would do the rest of the work. So I can't even take credit, but it's been a great run here so far, a little bit over a year, and we're moving and grooving, baby. How you doing? I was there when you had 15K subs. 15K W. What up, Energy? Good morning, Sandman. What's good, brother? Hey, where's Green? Is Green here? That boy Green, man. You catch him front row at the fights. Holy. I told y'all, man, don't sleep on Green. Green, if you're out there, let me hold something, bro. Let me hold $1, something. Let me get something, bro. Let me get $5, $10. Hey, I seen someone yesterday. They had their Cash App on the window of their car. Yo, I'm about to start doing that. That was genius. Some of y'all, you know, you're like, hey, what can I do to potentially stack up some money to fund my account? Well, have you tried driving around with your Cash App and Venmo on your car? Saying anything would help? Anything could help? I'm completely exhausted, Nick. I've exhausted every single way to make money. I just can't figure it out. Well, have you done that? Have you done that yet? Green living, bro. It's green living. $24. Pablo. Maybe I would say maybe another 24K 24-hour stream when, chat? At 40K? Let's do it. 40K. What up, Susanna? What up, Mr. BTC? It is good marketing, man. I'm about to be like, yo, follow my YouTube channel and send me some money, man. Hook me up. Here's my Cash App. Here's my Cash App. Anything will help. Bank holiday. Yeah, we're going to take the day off on Wednesday. Yeah, going to get an opportunity to spend the day with some of the day with the mods and stuff on Wednesday. What up, Alexandru in the house today? You're broke. What up, brother? How are you? What up, Hank? That's good, bro. Facts. Damn, there was a question I wanted to answer, but I forgot what it was. It was a good question, too. If I missed your good question, send it again. Sir, if the 4-hour and daily bias are the same, should we trade against the bias? Not really, but I've also been in this state of like just really kind of playing the markets, really getting a feel for the markets every day. But yeah, most part, like I would say the standard answer is if like you're excuse me, if you're going against the 4-hour and the daily, I think it's always best, in most cases, it's best to wait for a range 2. Yeah, so right now the 4-hour and the daily are opposite, right? So the previous 4-hour closed bear, but the previous daily closed bull, right? So in these cases, typically I'm open for, you know, buys or sells. But we got 5 minutes here coming up for the NY Open. Past one, phase 1 today. Let's go, Shafiq. W, man. Have I ever tried bots? I am the bot. I am the bot. Nah, I've never tried, wait, have I tried? Yeah, I think I've tried one. Yep. In the beginning of when I first started trading. W, Hank. Let's get it, brother. You're just getting started, man. That's all you, bro. That's all you. Got a trade in the house. Yeah, last time our daily, that's a good point. Last time our daily candle had no top wick, we actually did come up and make it. I remember, I think it was AB Mike. He's like, yo, do you think we can come up and make that top wick? I think at that point we were like 220 pips away from the flip of the candle, and we actually did do it that day. Yeah, we did. We did do it. Let's go, Hank. W. Yo, that's fire, dude. Congratulations, man. With 100 in the account. Yeah, sounds familiar. Same thing, actually. Similar thing happened to me, bro. I was literally the window of opportunity for me was running out, and man, God always comes up clutch, right in the right time at the during the right season, and it's amazing. Congrats, bro. Big W. Are we still gonna do giveaways today? Of course, of course. Yeah, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like today. How much percentage do I risk on every single trade? I don't have a fixed percentage anymore. I spoke to a very successful trader not that long ago, and he told me a little bit of a different way to look at how to throw risk onto your trades. And I won't talk about it too much here because we only got a few minutes, but he basically said, yo, take a look at the conditions, right? Every trade you take is typically an A+ setup, but go ahead and look at the conditions and what's going on around fresh price action. And if it's a little sketchy, lower down in size, keep a normal risk, let's say 2-3% on a my own account. But if the risk is if the edge is there, then that's where he said, that's where you want to go bigger, right? That's where you want to risk like 10%, sometimes even 20%. He's like, that's how the big dogs begin to make those leaps and bounds with their capital, is that every trade is typically a normal risk, like 2-3-4%. But when those big high paying opportunities come and there's a lot of edge and there's everything meaning like every box checks off on your system, he said that's where you unload, right? And sometimes you are going to lose those trades, and it is what it is, right? But a lot of times, you're throwing that bigger bet, so to speak, on things that you see working out and super clean. So yeah, now I basically adjust according to market conditions. Some days it'll be 3%, some days it'll be 8%, some days it'll be 10%. It's all over. Yeah, and is that the right way to do it? Is that, how we should do it? I don't know. I'm still sample sizing that theory and that idea. So like I said, this whole year is pretty much a full-on sample sizing year for me, as I am striving to get to the next level in my trading. And I'm focused on 2025 here, right? What can I do here in 2024? What can I learn? What new systems can I develop? What new ideas can I come up with that will, push me forward in 2025? All right, so we got our 1 hour closure here. 15 close with no bottom wick, 30-minute close not too far from support, same thing with the 1 hour. So there's still a little bit of room to go, but we've got a support right here. Let's take a look at the 15. I'm gonna wait on the 15 closure and then kind of see where that's gonna go. Yeah, because right now you got no bottom wick and we're right here at support. And we talked about this, right? We already talked about, hey, if we can get this range, great. But if not, then there's much cleaner sells below 16, right? So when we say, can we get the range? That means like if we would have closed up here, then yeah, we could have had a tradable range here, but we didn't close up there, right? Where did we close? We closed down here, right? And then now there's support right here, so. But like I always say, price has to get down there somehow. And you do have volume coming in, so if this is your trade, go ahead and take it. Right, I'm gonna wait for probably a closure below, and then I got sells coming down. How are you improve, or how do you improve your emotional controls in trading? you improve them outside of trading, right? So if you're someone who gets mad when someone cuts you off, you start barking, chances are you do that in trading too, right? If you get ticked off a little bit, and having kids will really test your emotional stability, but if you get ticked off very easily and you deal with aggression and anger and, you know, lashing out, you got to fix that. That, number one, that's what children do, right? Children do that stuff, not grown men and grown women. So you got to get that under control. And you really got to just work on those things outside of trading, right? And then that will seep into your trading. So you can't do this type of work on the desk and then go off the desk and go back to, you know, Elmer Fudge or whatever his name was, or, you know, you start looking like the Grinch again, right? You got to really, how you do anything is how you do everything. Yeah, stops are way too big here, right? I mean, unless you guys want to trust that as your stop, go ahead. I do not want to trust that, right? So the only logical stop from this point is up here. Are you done for the day? I'm just getting started, man. Just getting started. Look, it's only 8:03. Do I think volume this year was high? Yeah, it was good. Price has been good. Price has been very consistent, which has been nice. We have dealt with a little bit of all-time highs here on gold recently, but we haven't stayed up there for too long. Right? Hasn't, you know, we're up there, but we haven't stayed up here. If we would have stayed up there for like weeks at a time, that becomes a real big pain in the, you know what. Can we have a look at, yeah, we can look at charts for stream in just a minute. Is it okay to grow without a mentor? Yeah, of course. Yep. So you don't necessarily need a mentor. A mentor is not going to be able to do anything for you, right? A mentor is just going to be able to point you in the right direction, maybe help you see things clear, give you new perspectives, which can help your overall walk and journey, right? And cut it down or make it a little bit less difficult. But at the end of the day, you're still going to have to do the work, and there's nothing your mentor can actually do for you outside of, you know, perspective, you know, help shorten your learning curve, but there's still going to be a learning curve. What up, DM? PM Magnifico. What's the difference between NY and NYSE open? They're just two different opens. So this is the US economy is opening now, where NYSE is more so like the actual stock exchange itself. We already did the giveaway. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. Look at y'all, man. You guys are about to X me out up there on the top right corner. Oh, yeah. We have some fun in the TT Elite. Yup. Yeah, we do. We do. Do I think news will push up or down? I have no idea. I have no clue. No idea. What? Day trading short. GBP CAD. TP 1.73575. Man, that's random. That's super random. W comment. W random comment. Yeah, NASDAQ is just flying. I don't even want to look at NASDAQ. We're just up. We're just all the way up. What news? We have some news coming in here today. It's going to happen at 8:30 here in just a few moments. Empire State Manufacturing Index. So we'll see where that goes today, but we'll see the 4-hour candle. I want to really see what happens here, because if you guys see what I see, I don't know if you guys see what I see. I really don't. But what I see is this whole area on the 4-hour has been a bit, let me make these a little smaller. Right, has been a bit nasty in this zone here. All right, so we're gonna see what happens, but pretty much in this area it's pretty nasty. So if we are bullish on the daily, right, and the 4 hours coming into this wick zone here, and we don't actually fill that wick, but we start rejecting and break that high, that will typically be where we begin to move up on the daily. Now we may not do it on this 4-hour candle here, we may do it on the next one. So on the next candle is where we may be able to have an impulse entry, right? Because if we can kind of make a high here, right, and then start to move down but not break that low, and then come back up, you can have buy stops on either the break of the current candle high, right? Let's say you have a high right here, you buy stops on the break of that high, or on the break of this guy right here for price to move up. So you've got clean range moving up, especially on the 4-hour and the daily. It's just about really getting the opportunities here on the lower time frame to find the setup, because we can't just guess, right? We can't just say, well, let's take a buy right here and hopefully that works out. You know, that's not what we're gonna do. So if this lower time frame shows us those, you know, signs that we're looking for, then yeah, buys are super clean here. 4 hours got clean range to move up. The daily is really the best, right? If we look at the daily time frame and you see what we got here, there's a closure above, right? And you have clean range moving up. Yeah, I would probably look for targets somewhere like around these levels right here for original targets here, right? For price to kind of tap in there, and maybe tomorrow we finish the job. But yeah, so that's only if we get you know, setups on the lower time frame and candles to support that idea. Right now we got nothing. Have I ever looked at US 30? Yeah, for 7 months straight. 7 months straight. Studied US 30. Tried to see if I liked it in terms of my trading style, and after 7 months decided that I didn't want to use it. So yeah, studied it for a while. The news is that I stopped working since the stream. Hey man, where's PM Magnifico? Why is he in the bathroom for so long? To be honest, Coach Carr, the LSE, I don't know, because I haven't spent too much time trading the London session. So maybe somebody else in the chat that trades London a little bit more often would have a better answer. What's up, Racha? Racha. I do account management. DM me on WhatsApp. Let me grab my phone. What's the number? want to miss out on this opportunity. Oh man, some of y'all are actually taking that number down. Holy. Hey, did you say you had a account management program? Yeah, we'd be happy to help you. Yeah, US 30. Yeah, I think US 30 is a great pair. I have a lot of friends that trade it. It's just not the pair that I trade. Let's grab that number. All right, news coming up here in a few minutes. Let's see, 8:15 is going to close. So literally no surprise here, right? 15 closure, no bottom wick. Price decides to push down, activate all the hungry hippos here, and price pushes back up. Like a dog. Like a dog. 8 a.m. Price closed bearish. Sell. Yeah. Okay. Eagle 4000 in the account management program, of course. Good morning, King Kong. Oh, man. Sound like my wife, Carlos. You're welcome, my friend. Stay blessed. Stay blessed, brother. Pay the fee. Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. Let's see if we can get to 500 likes. We got a couple, depending on how many likes we get is depending on, or depending on how many giveaways we do is depending on how many likes we get. So we'll see if you guys can get me in the giving spirit. You know what happens when I get in the giving spirit? We get the giving, man. We got 4 accounts to give away today. Later on, TK's like, dude, you gave away 10 accounts. I'm like, yeah, sorry. How many lots can you use on a 200K? Whatever you want, man. Yeah, I would go like 1-2% risk. Probably stick around 1%. All right, let's see what's going to happen here. 8:15. We'll see where we go. TK dips. TK's like, thanks for the trade, guys. Nah, TK, I was talking to TK. So you guys know TK's on a different time zone, right? He's going to be 3 hours behind. So right now it's 8:15 here, 8:76. It's 5:15 there. So imagine when we get on the live stream, it's like 4 in the morning for him. He's like, I'm going to be late, man. Stayed out late last night. The real question is, where's Johnny Gems? Yo, yeah, BuzzBlab, you can't participate anymore, bro. Or Energy. Y'all be winning like every single time. They just winning, man. Winning. They're winning. I know. You're 6 hours in the future, man. How's it feel? What's going to happen today? I wish it worked like differently though. Like I wish it was like you were 6 hours in the future so you can tell me like where this next hourly candle's going. Like that would be sick. Wiz Buddha. A lot of winners over here, man. A lot of winners. Yeah, man. Imagine you could just be like, yo, the next 4 hours, it's going to go up. Right? That's when we can just press buy. Any time travelers in the chat? Seriously, any guys maybe could help me out? It's worth a shot. I think time travelers are around, so. W Chala, hey, way to find a way to win, bro. Just, I love it. I love it. Circumstances got rattled up, shaken up. I think Chala was pretty public with that, right? Yeah, way to just stay in the game, dude. You know, that was always my thing. You know, every time I did get a job or I did have to go seek out some money, it was always to keep me in the game, like, of what I was doing. So, W Chala. Chola. And a lot of you other guys and girls are doing that too, which is good. How often do I rewatch my own streams? Never. A year ago, like when I first started them, I would rewatch them and stuff, but now I legit almost never rewatch the stream. Yeah. I watch the trades, but the stream, it's been a while. Yeah, let's take a look here, because if we are down here today, next 1 hour green. Do we trust them? Give us some other information. What else will happen tomorrow? Who's going to win the election? Give us some proof. It's only been a year. It's been a little over a year. It's been about maybe like 16, maybe 17 months. I think we started in February of last year. Yeah. So yeah, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, like 16, 17 months. Uncle Trump. Who's going to win? The real question is whoever they want. Whoever they want to win will win. Nothing is as it seems. Imagine not being American, still voting for Trump. Yeah. A lot of people who aren't Americans for some reason want Trump to win. Why is that? Who is they? Yeah, there is a they. That's for sure. They are... Yeah, let's not jump into that. I think John's here. Yeah, Johnny Boy's in the house. W, right on time. Right on time. Let's give him a little spotty. Morning, John Stu.
Yo, good morning, brother Nick.
Switching up the background, eh?
It's Pop.
How you doing?
Over here. How you doing? Good morning, bro. Happy Monday.
It's a little dark in there. Little different bit. Background. Got the window behind you, okay?
Right. I got not the best.
He got views.
Yes, sir, I do. Got some good price action today, though.
Yeah.
Sir, how was your morning? Good?
Fantastic. Ready to roll, baby. Monday. I went to bed pretty late last night too. Woke up pretty
me
early.
too, a little bit.
That seems to be my life.
Mm.
Go to sleep late, wake up early. Well,
Busy night last night?
Yeah, a little bit. Little bit. Will forex last forever? Only the word of God will last forever. That we know. So no, I don't think
That's
forex
fact.
will last forever.
Yo, it's good chat. What's poppin'? Good morning. Happy Monday.
820 pushing us back up. Happy Monday.
Sir. Yeah, I know we got news at 8:30, but I'm thinking we finish bullish today, but we'll see.
Ooh. Johnny Boy's bullish. Hey, chat. So, who's down to watch the Johnny Gems Nick Stu trade battle? Anybody? Because maybe the next high-level news day, we go after it. And what I want to see is maybe we can get. So I got some plans, right? So maybe me and John do like a one-on-one, just like a fun like news day type of stuff. We'll still look for playbook positions, but me and John will get very aggressive, and we'll see if we can get Top One to sponsor all this, right? So maybe they can give us accounts and we can, and basically you either pass phase 1 or you blow the account that day. And then what we want to do is then we want to take 2 traders out of the chat and give them some free coaching, one-on-one coaching for a week. And then we go battle. So now like me and John will be the coaches, and then it's like kind of like a fighter, right? Like we'll be the coaches, and then those 2 traders go into battle. And then we see, hey, which one wins like that, and we can continue doing that, right? And if Top One could sponsor it, which I'll talk to him about, then we could just have some fun on news days and go a little crazy.
Yeah, bro. I dig that, bro. It's a way to get some healthy competition into the community and make everyone better. So
Yeah.
I'm 100% with it.
Yeah, and I think what we'll do is we'll give anyone who's been on a roll. So you guys remember back in the day, it was like the rap battles on like BET. So like the winner always played the next game, right? So the winner stays on. And this is outside of our professional, like you guys have to understand, like this would legitimately be a game, right? So this isn't like, what we're doing in terms of trading, right? And we'll obviously make that clear, but I think it'll be fun. A little twist.
We're gonna pretty much trade like our life depends on it. Like if we're gonna need to get a trade out, like that's how we're gonna play,
Yeah. Like it's almost like, yo, we need 8% today.
Yeah.
Like if you don't get it, it's not gonna be
Then
pretty.
you lose. And
Yeah.
that's the game.
So yeah, so if you guys are down, we're gonna probably look into it a little bit more. Just obviously, like I said, this is we're doing this for like a purpose, not to like say trade like this, just to have some fun.
100%.
What you're about to, yeah, we're gonna get like the
I want to see
MTV
it.
like what was it, ridiculousness. What you're about to see is not recommended and only
Yeah.
recommended to be done by professionals in this game. We do not recommend you try this at home.
Yeah. Facts. We'll have to give them that warning. Yeah.
Leave it to the professionals. And by the way, all these accounts are going to be free, right? If we can get them to get sponsored by Top One, then we could probably get the accounts for free. So it's not like we're gambling either. We're just having some fun.
Exactly. And it's also, I'm not going to be like, all right, I'm taking a buy for no reason. Like, I'm going to have some valid reasons, dude. I'm not going to be going off of experience, and my thesis and, go from there. So we're still using our trading knowledge, our trading experience to, just have some fun and maybe pull some bread from the markets, just like, like it's regular.
Hey, you never know. Maybe you'll get funded.
Exactly. Go big or go home.
Do not try this on your own live accounts.
Definitely don't do that. We're going to have to definitely put a warning. Definitely.
Anything goes. There's no rules either.
Yeah.
So you're free to trade how you want to trade it, and I don't think we should have a score up. Maybe we don't keep a score up, and it's like you just tally it up at the end. That way, if you know you're down,
first.
yeah, you might try and force it. And
yeah, I like that idea.
yeah, and then y'all can raise. Hey, I'm not saying this, but maybe I could raise some bets on it. Yeah. I don't speak English.
Throw some bet on it with some people in the chat. Have some fun, laugh about it.
Rob Deerdeck, yeah, that dude is funny. Chat, nobody knows nothing. We might have to do this in Discord, right? So the YouTubers don't come in, and all the people from all the other streams and stuff, they come in and be like, what are these guys doing here?
This is inappropriate. This isn't likely.
This is what these guys are teaching imbeciles. Oh yeah, the score is 100% going to be based on the profits. There's no doubt about that.
What else would it be based off?
So I think what we'll do is whoever hits it first. Right? That's it. Whoever hits the 8% first.
If we do 1%, then whoever hits the 10% mark or whatever. If we do two step, then 10% still, or 12%, whatever it is. Whoever gets funded, pretty much.
We'll just battle in phase 1, and then it's up to you to pass phase 2 if you want to get potentially funded.
Yeah. So first one to 8%.
I'm down. Let me talk to top one.
There. Go. Need top one on this.
LeGrand versus Louis G. What about that? Oh.
Be fire.
Gotta trade versus AB Mike.
Bro.
We can get some of the elites to go at it too.
Be fire.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll get some of the elites to go at it. And then, hey, when you're heating up, so if you get more than 3 wins, I was thinking, because we're gonna come out with these cool like emojis and badges that you can use on YouTube. So I think we'll get one that's like states that you're heating up, so everyone knows that you are the champion, right? The current champion. I think that'll be pretty sick.
Wait, what is it?
So like whoever's the champion, and let's say they hit 3 in a row, like they've been just dominating, they'll get some sort of like fire emoji or something that makes them stand out in the chat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go, Mr. M's Team John. Let's get it, bro. Thank you for the support. Who else is Team John?
Whoa, Team John.
Let me see the Team Johns in the chat.
All right.
Good morning, Andrew. How you doing?
What up, Shelly? Shelly in the house. Good morning, Andrew. What's up, brother?
What's good, Wags? I know Andrew and Wags. You got to be Team John, right? I'm counting on it.
Hey, man. We'll see what happens. Here comes the news here, by the way. So will we push down on this 4 hour, or will we not break the lows and begin to reject? Let's see what happens here. Still haven't closed below this support here either.
Hey, let's go. Dominic. Sir.
We got a lot of Team Johns in the house. All right, Team Johns, y'all have a great day.
Make some noise. Yes, sir. Hey, I'm Team Juan too. Gotta have that W in our name.
All right. Team Nix. All right.
Yo, Louis G, really? I'll remember that.
Yeah, really. We're gonna remove John's mod here for the next week too.
Yeah, we're getting Nick butthurt.
Hey, I'm just gonna let the trading do the talking, man.
Yeah, facts. I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm not even talking, but
John feeling the love, you know? You feeling the love. That's cool. Of
course. Yeah, Jimmy, I'm Team Jesus. That's for sure.
Alright, how'd these news come out? So lower numbers here. So green, so lower numbers here on gold. So we'll see where we go. Team Sam. Sam gonna play?
Sam.
We could do a tournament. Nicky. Yeah, we'll have to get my brother Joe to map out the tourney. We can get a whole tournament going on.
That would be fun.
Yeah, we can do these for like CPI days, FOMC days, NFP days.
Volume days.
Yeah.
Sir. Yeah, we'll get green on the action.
We'll get green.
Morning, Sam.
Where's Sam been? Sam's been busy. He was here like last week. Sam versus Green. Ooh. How about Sandman versus Green? Ooh.
Hey.
You guys think Green's gonna participate? What do you guys think?
Probably not.
I don't think Green's here today. I think he's flying home today.
Green check? Yes, yeah, I think so.
He's a busy man. He's been busy over the last couple days. It's tough to be Green.
Seriously.
All right, so let's see what happens.
Yeah, we react at the support. You take any trades today so far?
Nah, not yet. Alexandru versus PM Magnifico. Yo, let's get Alexandru back in the game, baby. Let's get him in the in the game here. Should that be the first match off?
Run it.
Alexandru, what do you think?
I haven't seen Alexandru in a minute.
He's here.
He's here.
Wait no more.
All right, bet David P.
I'm Team Stewart. There you go. See, Andrew's smart. Smart man, bro. Smart man.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
I seen all y'all Team Johns, though. I see you guys. Okay.
Nick's seen y'all Team Knicks, too. I remember.
That don't matter.
I remember. Team John don't matter then either.
Hercules. I ain't trying to face Buzzblab, that's for sure. That boy hits.
Same, bro.
That kid
that
hits.
dude's gonna beat me.
Word. Chala versus Hanzo? Oh. Next thing you know, John's running the stream. Hey, chat, if I beat John, John has to go back to the barbershop and get, like, a different haircut. What do you say?
Nah, we're doing a different prize. We need to agree on a prize. Make it even, you know?
We shave our John's eyebrow.
Hell no. Would have thought.
Why? You don't need that.
Yo, Paraz, you would have thought.
You don't need that.
All right, bro. Then we'll shave your eyebrow too. Then if you lose.
All right, I'm down. I'll just wear blue light glasses for a month. or whoever loses, yeah, that sounds good. Has to dye their hair purple or green and vote for Joey B. How you doing?
Oh, hell no. Hell no. I'd rather trade against my playbook.
Yeah, I say we each have the loser has to get like completely shaved, bald head, or we leave like a mohawk or something.
I don't know, bro. We gotta agree on something different. Keep giving us good ideas, though, chat.
Whoever loses has to eat coleslaw, which I don't know
Hell
why
no.
anyone would ever want to do. Went to
Chad,
his
I used to
barbecue.
work at a deli. Chad, I used to work at a deli, and when the ladies would come in and be like, "Can I get a cup of cold slaw?" I would always throw up. When I was putting the cold slaw in the cup to hand it to them, I would always throw up. That was nasty.
I'm like, lady, did you come here to? Did you want me to throw up here today? You're just gonna eat coleslaw. Just coleslaw. Gotcha.
Like, ma'am, you know you can order a bacon, egg, and cheese, right? You're getting cold slaw.
That's something you do, and just don't tell no one about it.
Seriously.
Loser has to eat onions. Oh my god, I definitely would not want to lose.
Bro, hell no.
That stuff's delicious. No comment. Cold stone. Cold slaw or cold stone? What do you guys think?
Cold
I
stone,
thought-
bro.
You see me and Joe Stewart leaving Cold Stone. I'm like, I thought you said the loser had to eat Cold Stone.
Nah,
I
bro,
got
we said
a-
cold stone.
I got a large vanilla cup with brownies, cookie dough, and Kit Kat. Triple all the toppings. Is that not what we were playing for?
Yo, chat, no lie, bro. No lie. We tripled the toppings whenever we get it.
They know us at Cold Stone. When we go hard.
Hell yeah.
The bill's like $50 for ice cream.
Facts.
Oh yeah, how about that? Loser has to get a job for a week. Why don't we do that? Loser has to get a job and actually go for a week.
Damn. All right, that's better than shaving my eyebrow. So I'm with that. If we can't come up with any better ideas, I'm with that. Chat gets to pick the job, right?
Yeah.
Or we just tell them and don't actually get it.
No, we need pictures. Like, you need to like hold
no,
up.
we're
You
gonna-
need to like take a selfie with the McDonald's hat on.
Yeah.
If I go into McDonald's and ask for a job, they'll probably be like, "Hell yeah, we'll give you a job. You want to be our manager?" I'll go in there with a
Right.
with a 3-piece suit on for the interview.
Just talk, and then they'll be like, all right, but give them a lesson on the magic of thinking big, and you're hired.
Nah, you know how it was so easy to get jobs? I'd meet with the owner. I go, everyone else was nervous and stuff. I go, sir, this place that you have here, it blows my mind how you were able to accomplish this. Can you tell me your story? How'd you do all this? Bro, next thing you know, that guy's talking for 40 minutes. Dude's like, wait, you needed a job, right? Yeah, I got you, man. I got you. I would pick up jobs so easily because I knew every successful person, they love to tell their story. Everyone loves to tell their story, but especially successful people. So if you just ask questions and listen, you guys are trying to get a job, you can get a job so easily.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir, Nick.
Loser should, man, there's a lot of good ideas.
Facts.
Uber driver for a week? Yeah, I'm not trying to die.
Uber driver, hell no.
Maybe like the DoorDash or like the, what is it? The Instacart thing
Uber
or something.
Eats?
Yeah. Maybe Uber Eats.
That
I ain't
involves
tryna-
no one coming into my car, so yeah.
Yeah, I remember, man. I talked to the owner of Mercedes-Benz. This guy loved me. I was like his favorite employee there. He was, they were redoing, if you guys noticed over the last, like, I would say, I don't know, it's been a while now. Last, like, 10 years, I would say. All the Mercedes-Benz, they got new facelifts and all that. But I remember I was working at this Mercedes-Benz while they were doing, like, the facelift. And, you know, I was just this little porter kid, man, just, like, directing the traffic. And he came walking over and stuff. We were talking, and then he was looking at the place. And I'm like, man, Rich, how's it feel, bro? How's this feel, knowing that this is your dealership? I would get this guy talking all the time. All the time.
Reading people is like reading candlesticks. But,
Yep. Yeah, next thing you know, they created like this custom job title for me where all of our like what do you want to call them, like exclusive customers or clients or whatever with AMGs, they actually now set like a new title, a job title for me to go and pick their cars up, give them loaner cars. So I was chilling. I was like out of the dealership for pretty much all the whole day. I'd be driving these AMGs, and again, God just giving me opportunities to dream build, to, you know, feel what I want, right? Get in those cars, drive them. It's been amazing.
Literally, bro. All part of your plan. All part of God's plan.
That's how I got mine, working on private jets. There you go. W. Crumble cookie for a week? Nah. Nah. I don't think that's, I don't think I'd advise that. I think you need a counsel with a doctor for that.
I wouldn't advise anyone to even experiment that or test it.
That could be bad.
That could be dangerous. 2 cookies, imagine 2 cookies every day for a week. That's what you eat. Nothing else.
I Uber eat dinner faithfully every night. Just Uber Eats. Billy O'Neill, what's good, brother? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. What up, the Groom Smith? How you doing, Billy? Getting sleepy? Yeah, me too. Might have to take a nap here. Come back in a few minutes.
Go take a nap, bro. I got you. Hold it. I'll hold it down. Eyes looking tempted, Nicholas? Hey, bro. That's understandable, but I feel like we're in a range. Me personally think we're in a range.
Yeah, you know, I lost that trade the other day. I was looking back, I think that was not the greatest trade, right? The second trade we took on Friday, we had news, and same thing here, right? Like banking on news to go down and push through here, but it didn't work. I think that could have been a loss avoided.
Yeah. It's all good. At least you know.
Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yeah, hell yes. Especially on a Monday, right? In a range. So let's wait for a breakout candle, right? When we're in a range, we just want to wait for a breakout. It all goes back to, you know, what is the market trend? How is the market moving? Where that depends on how we look for our setups, you know. Ooh, good morning from Japan. Shout out Japan. I'm tired as hell. Yeah, it's understandable. Trader Dre, you know, it's Monday. Probably had a busy weekend. Hey, at least you're here, right? At least you're here. Some people be slacking, bro, right? Some people want it bad, but they don't even show up for their goals, bro. So that's good that you're here. It's good. Look at the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hours, you know, right at support. It seems like candles are getting weaker to the bear side, right? So daily's also bullish. So let's see how the 4 hour closes, right? Nothing's guaranteed. We just gotta follow price and see what's good. We're gonna flow with price action. We're gonna be very fluent. All right, John, what will you do if forex trade ends? Pray to God.
Preach.
Nah, bro, I'm chilling. I don't even trade forex. I trade futures, so I'm big chilling.
Huh?
What I would suggest you do is just go into the futures market.
Futures.
That's where everyone's gonna end up, anyways. I would think.
Nico in the house. No. Stop whistling, Nico.
It's good, Nico. Don, you got some gems for us? What's the word? Bro, the word is trust the process, man. You know, we're all in our own individual process. And in the process where we progress to become that person that we want to be. And throughout it all, we're just building on this person we're desiring to be, and it's helping us shape us into this person. So trust the process and understand that the process is the prize, and that's where you become the best version of you. So that's my word.
I like that. Thank you.
Sir.
Progress.
That's all I'm doing.
Forex.com, the futures of forex trading.
The futures.
Hey, can you hear the
Yeah,
music?
Ron. Yeah, I do. Yeah, Ron, I think that most traders are going to end up in the future market for sure, long term, especially in these next couple years. I think so.
Especially US based traders.
Yeah. Facts. Mostly US traders, I'd say.
All right, so it looks like we broke the lows there, tapped into support, coming back up now on the 1 hour candles here. So that looks pretty good. Looks like news pushed price down, and now we're beginning to come back into back up. See, like, remember we were talking about the rejections. This candle really tapping target, so no need for this candle to follow through. If that high breaks, whether it's on this candle here in the next 11 minutes or the next candle, that's where you should see price start to move up. Right, so maybe the 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. candle could look something like this. Right, and that would create support, and then that would also give the daily an opportunity to flip bullish. Right, this is your daily flip. So if we can push up there, you know, that would obviously give the daily the opportunity to run up. And just wait on it.
And what would that do? That would break the 20. That would break that resistance on that 30-minute 1 hour at 23.22, right? So it all lines up together.
Yes, sir.
Big story.
We need some volume. We might have to do the giveaway to get some volume, some motion.
8:30 news didn't do much.
Nah. Some motion. Did you guys always know to have faith in God, or was there a point in your life when something made you realize? Yeah, there was a point in life where it was a turning point, a major turning point for me, and life has never been the same. Emotion.
I think there's always some turning point for sure.
Emotion.
Bring out Lele.
Nah, my wife wouldn't be happy with that right now.
Lele will bring out the volume later.
Lele is good with that 10 a.m. Eastern volume. We keep it right there.
Wait till wealth. If it's good money, if it's not wicked money, I don't see why not.
I pushed the like button. Hey, you're awesome. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Thanks for pushing the like button. Shout out to all you guys liking the stream here today. If you haven't liked the stream yet, give the stream a like. That's how you'll participate in the giveaway here. If you don't like the stream, you don't win giveaway. And depending on how many likes we get, depends on how many accounts we got. You know what I'm saying? It's a two-way street out here now, chat. Two-way street.
Oh yeah.
Phone calls work both ways. You ever heard people say that? How many likes we got? Oh, 482. All right. All right. I think I got a number of accounts in my head, but I got more accounts than that number in my head to give away, but we'll start there for right now.
Yeah, if you want a funded account, if you want to glitch the matrix, give this help you get there.
Yeah.
How can I make sure I anticipate a breakout is not an upcoming fake out? So
You can't.
you can never fully avoid a fake out, you know. So the best way we can avoid fake outs is look at the higher time frame bias, and whatever, if it's strongly bullish, then we can be a little bit we could be cautious of fake outs to the downside, right? And wait for a range too. But that's what I would say. Look at the higher time frame and see what's going on there.
Account size? Are you asking me? My account size? Here comes the guitar. Amen. Armor of God protection. Amen. Yeah, I was waiting for them to ask me, hey, what was the moment? So I can share my testimony with you all. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, you can prevent the fake out, right, by taking precaution, but you can't really know. You know, you can't ever really know if there's going to be a fake out or not, but there are ways to, you know, kind of like save yourself from it. And like John said, that's pretty much that range 1, range 2, you know, break and retest type of theory to save you from the fake out.
Yazerski.
How was my 2-week evaluation? It was really good, man. It was really good. I got to go over trades this week, pretty much all the trades, and I'm loving it, man. I'm a trading nerd, right? Like, so I like looking at it, especially these impulse entries that we've been taking. I like it, man. I like it. Everything is flowing according to plan. We still need some more trades, right, as we gather the data, but so far so good. You know, so far so good. You've got a bunch of impulse entries here to collect data on, and it's been good. Once we get to about 50, I would say we get a decent read on how we're doing. Right now, I think we're, creeping up towards like 20 impulse trades.
And the results are looking good so far.
Yeah, we got about 24, 25 impulse trades. So I would say another 24, 25, that's when we'll have a good understanding of what we got here. So, yeah, like John said, though, so far so good. I think out of the 24, we have won about 22 of them, right? 22, 20, somewhere around that area.
Hell yeah. Can't wait to see the number when we hit 50.
Yeah.
But yeah, I did my weekly or 2-week evaluation as well this week, knowing
Yep.
exactly what I need to work on. So I have the idea of what I need to work on in this week, upcoming week, as the week starts.
Yep. Fire.
Who else did their weekly evaluation, their 2-week evaluation?
Boot camp coming soon. Yeah, I think we're due for another boot camp. A lot of people have been asking for another boot camp. I think we are due for another one because there's a lot to talk about, right? It's very difficult to go through everything like we would in a boot camp on these live streams because it's like one topic after another. But yeah, let me think about it. Let's see if we can put it together, and we'll do like a boot camp, you know, maybe sometime in the next, 2 months. But there's a lot to talk about. You know, there's a lot. Nothing drastic has changed, but things have drastically changed, right? So we need to huddle up and really kind of go over that stuff in more of a smaller setting where I can really talk with you guys. So yeah, we'll see if we can set up a boot camp pretty soon. Yeah, we need a nice huddle.
Don, you mind sharing anything you want to work on? Yeah, sure, bro. So in my evaluation, I noticed that the last 2 weeks I've been getting like 2 trades a week, and there is opportunities where, there was opportunities like my setup was there last week and I didn't execute because I was late to the desk. So focusing on being on time and focusing on taking more trades, right? If the edge is there, don't think, execute, right? I gotta stop. I can't think. I gotta just execute on that edge and really let the numbers show, right? Let the chips fall as they may.
Mm-hmm.
And risking a little bit more, right? I noticed like my wins are like stagnant. So if I put a little bit more risk on it, we'll get it to get some more profit out of it. Because I'm also thinking, right? Like I should have more trade days than no trade days, right? Like no trade days are part of the game, right? They're gonna happen. But like when my edge is there, you gotta execute. Like I can't expect certainty in an uncertain environment like the market. It's just not gonna happen. Whenever there's edge, whenever there's a high probability of my setup working out, I gotta execute.
Yep, that's so true. A lot of traders struggle with that. And even professional traders will struggle with that here and there, right? Like after you take a couple losses or after you go on a losing streak or maybe you have a red month, right? Like a lot of traders are going to get a little hesitant. Even me, right? Even you guys seen that happen with me earlier in the year. So like, the idea is we have a good system, right? We take A+ setup. So our edge is our execution. So the more you can execute when the golden opportunity shows up, the more you will, we get paid to execute, right? So the more you'll get paid. But if you're, the other thing is the more you execute, the more data you collect. The more data you collect, the more probability and edge you see. The more probability and edge you see, the more confidence you get. So the more confident you get, and it's a cycle. The more confidence you have, the more you're willing to execute. So just executing, let's face it, the only reason we ever stay out of a trade is because why? We're trying to avoid what? Trying to avoid a loss.
Yep, exactly.
But what do we know about trading? We know that in trading, we cannot avoid a loss, right? We cannot avoid the losses. So the idea is when the playbook shows up, that's your chief commanding officer, right? And you guys ever seen the movie? I was talking with someone about this the other day, but you guys seen the movie Lone Survivor, right? Where the Mark Wahlberg, all those guys, they're about to get ambushed and they have this hostage, right? And they all want to they all know that if this guy gets back down to his crew, they're gonna send an ambush up to take these dudes out. So obviously none of the guys wanted to let him go, but the commanding chief said, we're gonna let him go. And you know what every guy said? Yes, sir. Right? Yes, sir. So let the market be the commanding officer. Even if you're scared to get in or you don't want to get in and you have no choice, right? Do you want to make money? Do you want to be a trader? If you do, then you've got to execute on your edge when it shows up every single time, as if the choice is not even yours, right? You're going to have a lot of wins. You're going to have some losses, but you're going to have data. And that data is going to give you a good read on where you are as a trader, right? And if you're smart, you'll look at your strengths and you'll look at your weaknesses, and you will try to fix those weaknesses as soon as possible.
Sure.
Right?
Got to trade what you see, not what you think.
The market is our boss. If I have any boss, it's the market. The market tells me when to go. The market tells me when to sit. Talks to me like 100%. A dog. Get up, boy. Sit down, boy.
And I would honestly say that goes for any like business out there. Like the markets are their boss. Honestly, like even for entrepreneurs out there, like the market's their boss, right? So same thing for traders. The market's our boss as well.
Yeah. Yeah, because why do we mark charts up? We're trying to get an analysis, right? Why? Because we want to try and get a read on price. So you can do all that, right? But that only gets you to a certain point. You're never going to know Like there's never one trade I took that I could say, hey, I knew that was going to be a winner, or I knew that was going to be a loser. Every trade I take, the outcome, and you, right? Every trade we take, the outcome is 100% completely random. Every trade.
100%.
Could be the best trade in the world. Still the outcome's random.
Let me remind you guys of the 5 fundamental truths of Mark Douglas, right? First, anything could happen. 2, you don't need to know what is going to happen next in order to make money. 3, there is a random distribution between wins and losses and a set of variables that define an edge. Or an edge is nothing more than a higher probability of one thing than the other, and every moment in the market is unique, right? So why expect certainty with those 5 fundamental rules, right? So if you keep those 5 fundamental rules in mind, you won't be scared or have a problem with executing on a trade, right? That goes with your edge. So let's execute.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. One of my favorite movies of all time. Yeah, that was a great movie.
Traders Dre, let's get it.
Yeah. And the other thing too is like what John said is, and Mark Douglas said, is that, what did he say? The wins and losses are distributed what? Randomly. Right? Randomly. So that means the next trade you take has a completely random outcome. But you know what doesn't have a random outcome? The next 100 trades.
Yep.
Right? And we talk about this all the time, that the next 1 or 2 trades in front of you, that's completely random. But if you execute these trades over and over 100 times, just do the probability, right? Go count up either the yearly, the monthly, the all-time record, and go see what that gives you, right? In terms of win rate or win percentage, and that's where you're at. Let's just call it 75%. Right? That means that 75 does not mean 100. 75 means 75. So how much left is in this 100? How much do we have to account for? What? 25. Right? So that means that these 25 can come at any point. And the issue is a lot of people get into trading, they come and follow a system, and if the whites are wins and the reds are losses, here's what they do. Oh, wow. This guy on YouTube is really good. He's so amazing. Oh, we took a loss there. Oh, yeah. He's okay. He's okay. Oh, my God. Look at him. He bounces back. Look at all these wins, right? And then all of a sudden we hit this like boom, boom, boom. And you're like, nope, can't do this. Don't like losing. I'm out of here. This guy sucks at trading. Time to find a new strategy. And you go over and you look for another new strategy. Right? Only to find the same results in that other spot, right? And you'll do that over and over, and not you, but people will do that over and over and over and over and over again, trying to avoid these losses. And they're unavoidable. They're in every strategy, every system. The problem is, while you go jumping from system to system, right? You leave here, you go do this system, you find out that happens, you go do that system, you go do this system, and then all of a sudden you come back around to the time to eat live streams. And you know what you did that the other guy didn't? You wasted 7 months here, when the other guy invested 7 months here, and he knows the system like the back of his hand now. Right? He knows what to expect. He knows what to look for. He knows what time to look for it. And you are still jumping around trying to find your next shiny object. And what you're doing here is you're wasting precious time. Right? So you got to sink your teeth into something, man, and understand that those losses are part of the game. You can never ditch them. You can run, but you can't hide. Right? So don't be that guy to jump from system to system. I see a few guys that have been doing that for about 40 years. No bueno. No bueno. So don't let that be you, man.
Real, man. Yeah, I've seen a lot of traders as well, bro. It's a very common thing, bro. So the fact that it's very common, you know, that should let you know that it's very tempting. So a lot of people do it, so don't do it, right? You know what to do. You know the good things.
Yep. Now look, it's okay to say, hey, Nick's system, I don't really like it, right? So I'm gonna go look for another one or another one. But at some point, you gotta plant your stake, right? At some point, you shouldn't have to go through this many, right? That tells me that the problem is you, right? You should find your stride somewhere here and then start to sink your teeth in. You shouldn't need to go from all these systems. If that's the case, then it's probably you. You know, because all of these work. It's just which one works for you. And if none of them works for you, then you're most likely not cut out to be a trader. Right? Go into something else and make your money there.
That's at least normal, because I did that, right? I was with Swaggy learning for about a year. I learned about a year and a half worth of his strategy. You know, it wasn't for me. I gave it a year and a half, and I moved on to another strategy that fit my personality, right? And I've been with that ever since. So,
yep.
But yeah, find that strategy that really works best for your personality.
Yeah. And once you find it, just chill. Give it 12 months. Not 12 days, not 12 weeks. Some of y'all be on the 12-hour vibe. Not 12 hours, right? Give it 12 months. Are you willing to put that type of work in?
For real. And so my overthinkers, for you to be like how or why is the wins and losses gonna be randomly? Like, why is that? Like, does it have to be like that? Does it need to be like that? It doesn't have to be like that. For you to say that is like you saying, why does the game of basketball have to be the basketball? Why does the game of basketball have to be the winner who gets the ball in the hoop more wins, right? It's just the name of the game.
Just how the game
so
goes.
If you want to win the game, you got to play it. Follow the rules.
And here's where you really mess things up. When you focus on this strategy and this one. Because you think you can make double the profits, right? The problem is this guy's looking for a buy and this guy's looking for a sell. And you know what you're doing?
Buying and selling.
You don't know what to do. So you're just sitting there like that. I can't think for myself, right? So you really need to sink your teeth into one system, one strategy, and lock in, man. Lock in so you can actually think for yourself.
Yeah, man.
Right? Do you really want to lean on another guy, another girl, another trader to make you money? Y'all got more faith than me, because I wouldn't be that faithful to be waiting for someone else, right? Flip-flop, let's go. Stop flip-flopping, baby. Flip-flop, stop flip-flopping, and now getting amazing results. W.
Thanks. Oh yeah, we're giving you guys the sauce because there's traders right now doing what we're saying not to do, you know. So if you guys could be aware of this, right, especially those beginners, if you're aware of this, like, and you understand this, you'll know how to avoid it when it comes up, right? So very important stuff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pumping. Okay, we're breaking the 4-hour high here. Nice. So
There we go.
yeah, so this area was a rejection, as we kind of thought it would be, and now you're beginning to pump up here. So it wasn't really many opportunities for us. This candle closed below the range, no wick. This one was dog crap, and now this one's just on the run here. So there wasn't an opportunity for us just yet, but there may be coming up pretty soon.
D-Day? Maybe. Volume incoming.
Here she comes. Daily moving back up.
It was only about time.
Yeah,
it's the 4 hours start creating.
For real. Lovely, lovely. So we're breaking that high there very nicely. Yeah, very good. Are we gonna do a new top-down analysis? We can if you guys like to. I think the ranges remain the same, so nothing changes in terms of like the closures that we're looking for. The only thing that we can maybe update on is that we're now breaking the highs, and that this may be where we get our support on the 4-hour to continue pumping up. Yeah, other than that, there's really no changes here. The lower time frames have remained in this non-tradable area here, and we're just waiting for a closure here. Trying to see if we could have got any sort of impulse entry. I don't really think so. Maybe on the break of the 4-hour current candle high, but that was still very choppy here on the lower time frame. So let's see. Are we gonna come up for that daily top wick today or what? We want this candle to slow down a little bit. Slow down.
Down for whatever, bro. I'm down. I don't care. Gold wants to create resistance too on the daily. I'm cool with that too. You know, get away from the all-time highs.
Yeah. Yeah, gold's been a little choppy over the last couple days. Keep in mind, like, we did close above that range, but if we close back below it, then there's your fake out. But we've got clean range now on the daily coming up, so 2376, 2380 is targets. Big targets this week.
Huge.
Huge.
Yo, BL, we'll catch the next train if we miss it.
Yeah, it's always another one.
But we're on time. We got our ticket. We ready to go.
Yeah, you could say that the news kind of grabbed orders here, right on this push down. Grabbed orders and then sent price back up. Yeah, if you guys are in a buy at all, I would be probably closing partials right here. Hold on one sec.
Yo, chat, shout out. Congrats to anyone who caught those buys. Good stuff. Good work. Not my buys just yet. Sure, y'all got like 20 pips or something like that. Good stuff. Good stuff. Anyone take any trades during Asia and London? How'd it work out if you did? Please turn off the music. I can't do that. Sorry. Yeah, those would have been impulse buys. Yep. But not interested in those right now. A nice 4-hour impulse buy off the break of those highs. Hey, good morning, Energy. How you doing? Hope you're doing great.
Top wick here too, which is good. Yeah, so the 15-minute I'm not going to take here because we're pretty high in the zone, but the 30-minute, if we can pull back a little bit, close above here, then that should lead 930 up. Up, and away.
Bro. I agree. Even if it just gives us a wick fill, you know, range, I'm with it.
Yeah. The music's the vibe.
Music is the vibe. Yeah, it's all good energy. You get paid to execute, so it doesn't really matter the outcome. So all goody.
Caught sells this morning. Yeah, how'd you guys do? I don't think we didn't look at charts for stream today, did we?
I don't think so, bro.
Nah, we could look at them. Let's see. I want to see how price is gonna flow here though. We're gonna do some giveaways here pretty soon too. Little giveaways.
Nice. Looked like a lot of you guys took London trade. Nice. Yeah, I just guess the odds just weren't in your guys' favor. All goody.
Hey, where's my boy Adam? My boy Adam. He's gotta be
I
here.
know Adam.
I don't think so. What up, Noor? What's good? What's good? Haven't had a no trade day in a hot minute. It's been a while.
Very good, bro. Very good.
Not saying this will be one, but it's been a minute. I think
Look at your
traded.
record.
I think we traded every day in May and June.
What's up?
Holy!
Oh yeah, Louis G. Very early, bro. Lots of game left. If this was baseball, we're in like the third inning.
We got plenty of game to go.
Plenty of game.
Pretty interesting how the 4 hour just pushed up super quick too. In the first, I would say like, well, under 20 minutes. I took Asian and UK, both sells. Oh, sell and a buy, nice. What up, Lights Fire? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I think the only
Level just got tapped.
the only idea for me would have been probably a 4 hour break of its own high, but let's see what happens now. Now that we're tapping target, let's see what we do. Yo, yo, what's up, George VDM? George
Hey, George.
VDM in the house. What up, brother? What would Raja say here if we were looking to take a buy?
Oh, you would I'll let chat answer. I wouldn't want to tell Raja though that I want to take a buy here.
9:30. 9:30. It's coming.
You could pull back, that'd be great.
Gulag, are you done?
You be-
Didn't he do a funny like meme on that where he was on the phone with someone? He's like, prices ran 400 pips. What are you taking a buy? Hey yo, where's Green? It must be travel day for Green.
Should have let us know. No, I'm kidding.
He didn't report.
He didn't report. It must be travel day.
My Instagram is it's just my first and last name with an underscore at the end. Yeah, it's right here. How you doing? Right here. Green's out. I think Green might still be in Vegas.
Man, chilling.
That man, big chill.
I gotta head to Vegas. Damn.
All right, we've tapped target here, so really want to see how we react here now at 9:30, right? Because if 9:30 doesn't push us through, we know 9:30 is going to push, right? But is it going to push up or down? And if it doesn't push through like this gray area here, and let's say we have like a low sitting here, that's where we may pull this impulse idea out and see if we can, in a way, sell the pullback.
Scalp. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, at this point right here would probably break even for me, and then partials would be somewhere back down in the range.
I would really love that if this candle closed with no top. Like,
Yeah.
that would make it
Same.
even better.
Same. If we can get daily, not daily, if we can get the 1 hour, or I'm sorry, the 30-minute time frame to close with no top wick right in this overall level of decision, then I think we may have something on our hands here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and then we'll probably go back up later, right? But I think we need a pullback here. Where's Sam? Sam? I don't know. I didn't talk to him today. Me not talk to Sam today. Sam was here on, like, what was that, Wednesday? Tuesday?
I think so. One of those days.
Yeah, 15's rejecting, 30's rejecting, 1 hour's rejecting, 4 hours starting to push back. We'll see.
Could also leave us a wick fill too. Like if it closes very like
Yep.
right at the
It could.
range, like
Yeah, it
right
could.
above it.
All right, let's see something here. We're gonna try and do the giveaways too around 10 a.m. ish. Okay, pause that. We got some giveaways. How many likes we got? We got.
We got a
how
good
many
amount of likes. 605.
600. All right, cool. That's. Now we're talking, chat. Now I think. Yeah, we got some accounts.
Now we freaking talk.
We got some accounts. All right, 4 minutes for a closure here, and then we will go from there. So basically, if this candle pulls back and kind of leaves the wick for us, there may be an opportunity. If we begin to start closing way up here, though, then there's really no opportunity for buys just yet, and we would have to look, or we may look more towards like an impulse entry. Oh, text TK again. Text him one more time. Maybe he forgot to submit it.
We'll see what deal Price wants to give us here, if it's worthy of our acceptance.
Yeah. 15 showing signs of potential resistance. I hope I'm a winner. Hey, you are a winner. You're already a winner. I remember the first time I went to a network marketing event, the guy at the door was like, "Hey, welcome, winner." I'm like, "Who you calling a winner, dude? You don't even know me. Don't play yourself."
You got offensive.
Yeah, I was negative back then. I'm like, "Bro, you don't even know me. What are you calling me, a winner?" Man just looked at me and smiled. I'm like, "Get away from me with all this positivity."
You're weird out, bro. Facts.
All right, 2 minutes.
Yeah. Coming up.
Rejecting. Do I believe network marketing changes your mindset about everything and makes you optimistic? I don't know about everything, but I definitely do believe it helps change your mindset and your optimism for sure. All right, 30 closure coming up here. Let's see where we're at. The groomsmith. Yo. You think we should wait till the 4-hour close? The 4-hour just opened. Well, maybe your broker might be different. You might have a 4-hour candle opening in like what, 30 minutes? All right, what do we have here? So we're getting a 30 closure. We've got about a 26, 27 pip wick fill. Higher the time frame, stronger the data here. So 30-minute looks pretty decent. I don't like the way this 15 looks though. That's the big issue here. Yeah, that's the big issue. So if this gets a little too ahead of us, then what I'm going to do is have a sell stop. So if we come up like halfway through, then I might have a sell stop on the break of the low, because we should not break that low there, right? And if we do, we may decide to move down. So yeah, 15 is pretty bearish here as well. Yeah, that right there does not look bad, coming into resistance again. So yeah, let's see what we could do here. Gonna attempt this impulse entry on the break of the lows and see how we make out. Oh, whoa.
Wow, real quick, too quick.
Yo. Oh man, that was very quick. Who's in? Anybody? I might have to use current candle stops. Yeah. Moved a little bit before I was able to execute there. This may be still pretty good though. Yeah, I'm gonna have a sell stop. My stop's gonna be above the 4-hour highs here. So we break those 4-hour highs. This isn't good, but if we re-break the low, that should be good to come on down. It should still work out. If you guys got activated there on the break of those lows, this should still be able to give us a good drive down. Yeah, we're breaking this low aggressively here too.
Looks a little confused.
I caught the bugger. The bugger. All right, cool. So I would say you have pretty clean candles coming down, right? This is probably going to be like my break-even area, which is like 23.22 here. So you got pretty clean move coming down to the downside here, all the way down towards like, I would say 18. But somewhere around like 20 is where I would close partials here. But break even is going to be 2022 and see if we can drive down. Five-minute order block. Order block. Yeah, so the idea here is the target has been tapped right here, right, in this zone. Now, just because target's been tapped, that doesn't mean we can't push through here, right? We can totally push through here. We have volume on our side. You did get a bullish closure, but you're kind of at this resistance. You've kind of tapped target here, and that's the idea of the impulse entry itself. So just another opportunity to execute and sample size and see how we do here. You took it quick? Oh, nice. Nice. What size lots? I'm only risking about 2% on this trade. Yeah. Yep. Am I activated? Yes. Yeah, I'm in. Yeah, let's see. We may come up here again. That's not surprising, right, to come up again. But if you re-break the low here, you should continue driving down. No top wick on the daily. Yeah, there's no top wick on the daily, which is a bit concerning because we can come up and create that top wick for sure. But it also does mean that there's a lot of selling pressure here. So, but, you know, if we break those highs there, you may see a pump up, you know. But this is the target for my buys. And if that target's been tapped, then, you know, we'll most likely reject from it. But we'll see how we do here. We got to see how we react at 26 again. That's basically our next step here. Razin, hey brother, if you can't handle the fire, you got to get out the kitchen, bro. Don't come on here with that because everyone here knows that you can't avoid losses in trading. So you either get it together or get going, bro.
Starve.
You either learn how to handle the heat or you starve.
Seriously.
Just lower your leverage a little bit, or just close here at break even, bro. You had the opportunity right there. Did you take it? Did you take your BE right there, or did you let it go? Did I remove my stop loss? Nah. No way, Jose. Remember our whole conversation earlier. The outcome is completely random in this trade. Completely random. Could be a winner, could be a loser. That we don't know.
Clearly, you weren't here for the 5 fundamental truths about trading.
All we know is that we have a new setup we've been working on. So far, it's 24 trades, 20 wins, or 22 wins, 2 losses, and this is just another piece of data. That's all it is to me. Another piece of data.
So, bro, just do it. You're just doing your job. That's it.
I can even add more cells. There you go. Get your extra entries in here. What up, Clinks? What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? I show trades? Yeah, I show them. It's right here. This is my trade. I trade off TradingView now. Yeah, I like looking at this. This one's a bit cleaner though. Got 16 pips. Nice. Am I allowed to send charts? Yeah, send them in a Discord. Charts for stream. Yeah, send them there. Give me 1 sec.
Do something. Do something, 930. Facts,
right
Ryan. All right. Dirty Quake. If you have a chart you want Nick to check out, send it in Discord. Breathe air. Oh. Did you take it, John? No. No, I'm gonna wait for a 15 closure here. I need more information. Nah, this 930 can't be wacky. Traders X, ask Lewis G. I'm not 100% sure how to close partials.
Close partials? I'll show you. So let's say I want to close partials somewhere around like this white line here, right? So I go over to this plus sign, hit the plus sign, hit new order, make sure it's limit, right? Make sure it's on buy, limit, and then depends on how many I want to close. So let's say there's 12 here, 12 lots, 12 units or whatever. I'll close 10. Boom, make sure that's set, and I think I'm good. You want to buy it, right? Because you're in a sell, so you want to buy it back. And yeah, boom. And then there it is. So there's your partial. So my partial is basically like that, this line right here. Oops. Right here. Partials. Let's see. Add another pineapple. Nice. Dope. Let's go 930. Let's go 930. You can do it. All right, I'm going to go break even here. So B on this trade, no risk on the table. And let's see if we can drive down towards partials. So risk-free at this point. B has been tapped. Next step is partials. If we get B, we get B. Who cares? Right? Monday, who cares? B, whatever. Going B at 20 pips. Very nice. Very nice. Push, Goldie, push. Another good trade. Yeah, another great trade, guys. Another great anticipation. A little bit late on the entry again here today, but yeah, it is what it is. Still a good idea, still a good move, and we'll continue to execute on these ideas. Let's see. The candle closes with a huge top wick. Will the next candle fill it? Sometimes, depending on where you are. If you're in a rejection zone like we're in today on the 30-minute, notice how we never filled the wick there, right? So it all depends on where you are and where price is. Yeah, we got 1 minute for this candle to close here. This will be your 9:30, you know, not as we lead into 9:45. Nice trade, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you. So it looks like BE is just about hit. All right. I mean, partials has been hit there. So just closed partials at, what was that? 29 pips. That's it. That's the trade. W. Happy Monday. Trading made simple.
Great trade.
Got a little bit of a later entry than I wanted, but all in all, great trade. We got a blader. Now can we get a runner? That's the question. Ooh, we close a no bottom wick. Close a no bottom wick. I'm gonna probably move my stops and profit here. Hey, is there something else I need to do, by the way? Nah, right? It's -2. I think it's good. Oh, you can't move your stops, huh? After you close partials? Is that true? No, that's not true. All right, let's move stop. Yeah, perfect. Oh, for some reason I thought you couldn't. Oh, no. Definitely don't want that. All right, I'm gonna just let this rock. I'm gonna stay at break even for now. Oh, right click it. And then drag it. Yeah? Oh, no. Either way, we close with no bottom wick here, so we'll see if we get a runner. If not, my stops are at break even here. Maybe she runs for us with no bottom wick though. We'll see. We'll see. can drag stops into profit. How though? I'm not sure how. I'll figure it out. Louis G can help me maybe. It should have the no overlap. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Yeah, we're in this nasty consolidation range here too, so.
Yep.
Yeah, either way, I'll watch it. If we re-break the high, I'll close it, but yeah, I'll figure this out. Yeah, on to the next trade, chat. On to the next. Where's the update the records, bro? Yo. Where's Raza, whatever his name is, too? Raza, you see, you can't have that type of attitude, man. You like drawdown's gonna be a part of the game, and if you do take a loss, man, it is what it is. Like, we took the trade expecting a win or a loss, right? Like, you really have to make sure you're ready for this game. All right, if we break the high, I'm gonna get out because that's where I wanted to trail my stops to anyway. Update the record. Shirts coming soon. Update the record shirts are coming soon, I promise. Yeah, good trade. Good trade, chat. Everybody understood that trade? Do you guys what questions do you have? Right? Because that's another impulse entry. That's another one where you would really think price was going to move up there, right? Like last year, we 100% would have been in buys there. 100%. All right, that's the trade for me. So about, what did I say? 39? 29? 29 pips. Yeah, because you close with no bottom wick. This could be a fake out for the 4 hour to continue moving up, but that was it, man. Rejection right on the nose there. Right on the nose. Hold on one sec. What's this? All right, cool. All right, so let's review the trade here real quick and let's talk about this, right? Let's talk about how this idea kind of came about and what we were looking for here. So we understood the daily, right, that it's all bullish and all that, but so there's a fine line, right, between there's no top wick and we need to make one versus there's no buying pressure in here and we're not going back up, right? So we don't really know which is which, but the lower time frames are your best friend, right? So the lower time frames will give you the clues onto when that would happen. And to be honest, it wasn't happening right now, right? Because as you can see, the 4 hour has been pushing down quite a bit. You did kind of wick into this area. If we look left on the 4 hour chart for a second, we notice that there's a lot of pullbacks here, right? Wicks, different wicks coming down, right? Wicks coming up, down. This is a major area. Look at all these wicks. So this area right here is a major area where the 4 hour has come in and rejected multiple times over. So understanding that, and that the resistance is all the way up here, the 4 hour, being that the daily's bullish, may decide to move up, right? Which it did, but to move up and close bullish. Now the first, if we go down to the daily time frame, I'm sorry, the 1 hour time frame here, you'll notice that we tapped into a major level of previous support and resistance here. So if I was in a buy, right, if I had taken an onion play here, this right here would have no doubt been my target, right? If I would have taken a buy here and did this, my target would have been basically right there, right? This level right here. Prices tapped that target. So how would it look of me taking new buys at my target, 4 buys? That doesn't make sense, right? 30-minute also tapped into that target, and therefore now you either will fill the wick, right, and push through it, or you're going to fail. And you're going to fail somewhere in this zone right here. So what did we do? We came up. We never broke the highs here. We begin to start to pull back. What did we see on the 15-minute? You've seen a resistance on the 15-minute time frame. It's a no-brainer, right? So you take a sell here on the break of the low, expecting that the 30s not filling the wick. The 1 hour has tapped target, the 4 hour has tapped target, and that you would begin to see a pullback here at 9:30, right? If it's 9:30 and we've made a bottom wick and we're moving up, there should no doubt about it be a wick fill and a continuation. So the fact that we semi-filled the wick but no follow through, then get that resistance formed, 9:30 coming in, that's your opportunity to take your sells for that pullback that we've been waiting for. So that's it. Pretty simple idea. And now you've closed, bearish with no bottom wick right at our target. And now we're tapped target on the downside. It's like the barcode strategy. Yeah. So that's kind of the trade. That's the idea there, is the impulse and breaking the lows and, really beginning to pull back there for at least the next 30 minutes, right? Because we know volume's coming. So if volume didn't push up and break that wick, then where is the volume going to go, right? Right back down there. So, yeah, that was it. That was it. W for Holden. Yay, the Don. I'm trying to be like you. I'm trying to be the Don.
Yeah, bro, you're working on that too. Good stuff.
Notice how I wasn't a little sissy there, like I was the last couple trades, and moved my stop. I moved my partials, right? Just let it get hit. I'm working, man. I'm working on things. Yeah, like if you were in buys, yeah, that was your definitely your TP. Oh. This 23.26. And now we're back in the chop, right? So volume pushes back down. So we don't know where we want to go now. Yeah, it's fun, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's fun. It's a really good concept, and it's one that has really been working well for us, right? So we just continue. What I really want to do is throw about another 25 of those at the board here to see really after 50 trades what we got. Right now we feel like we've got something really good on our hands, but we're going to continue to sample size it just like we did today, and see how things continue to play out. This trade was amazing. Yeah, would have never thought it would move down. Yeah, and like I said, John, would we not have been in that buy last year?
100%.
We would have been in that buy 100% last year to go long, right? But being stopped out on that many times begins to catch your attention, and then you begin to think why, right? Why did we? If you guys remember, this whole target tap concept came from the daily time frame. You guys remember that? You guys remember when I was like, yeah, pay attention to this, chat. I typically only see it on the daily, or mainly see it on the daily, where if like a candle tap target, why would the next one come down and, come into that target again? But then started picking it up, started getting reads on it, started finding that to be the case on the 4 hour, started finding that to be the case sometimes on the 1 hour, right? And then using like 30-minute impulse entries to capitalize on that bounce off of target. So yeah, that's why we say fail and fail often, right? Fail fast and fail often, because your answers are in the data that you're not trying to collect, I guess.
Answers in the failing.
Your answers and the failures. Update the record. All right, I guess. That's a great question. Traders X is asking, what if this 15 closed with no bottom wick? I want to tell you that I wouldn't get in. Yeah, I would waive the trade off at that point. Because now I'm okay. Okay, now I'm saying, all right, that's probably going to be the bottom wick for the 30 minute to move up. So that's a great question. I was kind of, thinking about that in my head too as this candle was almost closed. And yeah, I think if this candle here closed with no wick, then there would have been no trade there for me. Yeah, W trade though. B after 12 pips. I think I went B, whatever this is here. 14, 15 pips was B, and then partials was about 28, 29 or whatever it was. John's very careful with his trades. He didn't get into this one. Yep. John's, that's what I love about John, right? He's not quick to jump, right? He's totally fine with, just like me, I'm totally fine with watching things play out over and over again. There's no rush. There's no rush, right? Even, let's say the last year and a half, I didn't take these positions. I just watched them. And that may have cost me a couple bucks, but you know what it really did? It equipped me to make millions now off of this concept. So by sitting out, watching it, monitoring it, collecting data on it, getting a better read, getting a better understanding, taking time to do all that, will eventually set you up to profit off of it. But if you try and just take things just to take them and figure it out along the way, sometimes that can get a little messy.
Sir, just being disciplined to your own, plan as well. As your own individual trader is very important. And the best way to learn is from your own mistakes as well. So it's always best to just follow your own plan that you got.
Yep. Like he knows, he's been sitting here, he knows it works. He's pulled the trigger on quite a few of them, but ones that he doesn't understand, he's not just going to get in because I'm getting in, right? And that's where the independent work is done, right? It's really staying out and saying, hey, I don't really quite understand this one yet. I trust Nick. I understand he's got the, but I don't understand it fully yet. So let me just spectate this trade, and there's nothing wrong with that. Yep, that's perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. And that's what I said about a month ago. It's like, yo, let me be the scapegoat here, right? Let me go through it. I've studied it, so I know when and when not to execute right now. So let me be that data for you. Collect data by just watching me do it. Just because I do it, that doesn't mean you have to do it. Giveaway time. Yeah, I think it's almost giveaway time. You guys all like the stream? If you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like. If you took that trade, give the stream a like. Let's see, did we get some pip and dippers? Are they going to miss the... Oh, look at this. We got some pip and dippers. 1,700 people were here, and now 1,300 are left. Wow, 400 pip and dippers, chat. See that? Holy! Took the trade and bounced. These are the guys that would have been throwing the L's in the chat. If that trade hadn't gone to plan. Now you see we closed above, so yeah, we may not continue down. So like John said earlier, that was a scalp, right? A scalp position to take advantage of that 930 candle. I have you on TV, laptop, and phone. Yo, W. Three-peat. YOLO traders in the house. Let's go. Now we can do the giveaway.
YOLO trader.
YOLO's here. He's here. How many of you guys did take that trade? Let's put a poll up. Who took that trade? Let's call it that trade. Well, I should have asked, did you take that trade? Not who took it. Who took it, chat? Who didn't? Who took it? Who didn't take it? I just want to see. I just want to take a look. $70-30 so far. $70-30. You guys could answer on the poll. That is what the poll is for. I was in buys. Makes sense. I don't think the buys were bad. I just think knowing what I now know, I would rather have taken that sell there. W. All right, cool. A lot of you guys did take it. About 60, almost 70% of you guys. Some of you guys got a better entry than me. Dope. Cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. So what do you say? We do a giveaway?
Do it.
Oh, 400 took it and tipped. Okay, now do you have the bottom wick for the 1 hour? You got a new 1 hour candle here. But if we look at the ranges now, it is not looking good, right? So these are pretty much your ranges now on this 1 hour chart. Oh, nice. You opened up a top one account with your wife. She's 170 in profit today. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh.
W.
Lovely.
Who added entries when we were in drawdown? Anyone? You crazy. Y'all crazy, man. That was like me back in 2020. I'd be adding entries everywhere. Everywhere. Nice. Sandman with the pineapple. How you doing?
Sandman.
With the pineapple. Skirt, skirt. Oh, he juked him. He juked stop loss. We got 1K likes? Did we? Did we? Holy. Oh, almost. Almost. Maybe if these guys would have stayed and liked on their way out. Jeez Louise.
Damn, hella dippers.
Pip and dip. Who else is live here? Let's see. They're probably going to the next stream. They're probably like, yeah, he's good for one a day. Let's get the hell out of here. We know he ain't taking another one. Let's go to live. Let's see what you guys see on YouTube. Not too many people. Not too many. All right. Is the top one extra capital back up? Let me check. If it's not, you can kindly just send them a message and they'll add it onto it for you. I'm on here with John until he takes a trade. Hey, Andrew.
Yeah, Andrew, that's funny. We got a lot of day left.
Yeah, new closure back above I think would help.
I'm looking at the 15, but the 15 looks very choppy.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Yeah, the only thing that looks good to me right now is the 1 hour. Like, you got this range. If you can stay out of this range, I think there may be some opportunity. We're gonna have to order some steaks. Why can't it go up from here if there's a no top way? It can. It can. Trader Dre in the house.
Price to do anything.
Yeah, it can. But the thing is, after a big... So I want you guys to just hear me out here, right? So you had two really big moves just now, right? During high volume time. One was the move up. One was the move down. So that's not to say there won't be another really big move, like right in the next couple minutes. But I think what's going to happen is price may consolidate for just a little bit here and then make a move just a little bit later, because we've already kind of ran up and back down pretty good.
I agree.
Hey, yeah, if you chat, if you guys purchased any top one accounts and there wasn't 25% extra bonus capital, just message them, let them know that you're with TTE, and they'll add it to your account. And if you have an issue, let me know in the Discord. Yeah, Candle Slanger, get that. Definitely get that 25%, bro. Yeah, something happened with the link, and their tech dudes traveling this weekend, so they haven't been able. But just message them, and they'll take care of you. And if they don't, let me know, and we'll get it resolved. I want to win. Just win.
Are we doing a giveaway or?
Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway. All right, let's do it. So have you guys, if you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. That's all you really have to do, and like the stream to participate in the giveaway. So if you're not subbed, make sure you sub before we call out your name, because we're going to check. TK runs the background check on all y'all. Make sure you guys are subbed. Yeah, so just sub now, so that way we don't have to tell you later, well, you're not subbed to the channel, so, you know, we can't give you the account, but better luck next time, right? We don't want to do that. We just want to give it to you. All right, let's do it. We just want to give it to you. All right, let's go ahead and do the giveaways. So we got 5 25K challenge account giveaways to give away right now here today. So we're really trying to help some traders out, get them a good head start, a foot in the door, and some opportunity, right? So that's why we do these. So we really hope that you guys take full advantage of these accounts and treat them serious. You know, I know obviously some of you guys just try and hit home runs, which is fine. You know, I hear them from top one. They're like, yo, those giveaway winners, man, they try to win it in one shot, huh? No, I'm just kidding. They didn't tell me that. But I know you guys be doing that. So so treat it serious, man. We really want to give opportunities to the right people. Let me pull the chat in here. Let's get rid of the poll. What did we do on the poll? Okay. 61% are Team Nick. That's what's up. All right, so we are going to, we're gonna do two or three giveaways here, and then we're gonna do the other giveaways in Discord. So if you guys aren't in our Discord, jump in. Good luck trying to find that right now. And then go to the giveaway section. So we created a channel here for giveaways. Where is it? Giveaway. Sorry, chat. You know how I like to build up the anticipation. All right, yeah, so there you go. So come in here and we're going to do it in both areas. So I guess we'll do the first two on the live stream. So go ahead and comment on the YouTube live stream. We're going to pick someone, basically whoever my mouse stops on, that's who we're going to do. And yeah, so let's practice it, right? This is a practice. No, let's not practice, because then the practice guy's going to be like, ah, you picked me and blah, 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 blah. So let's just go get started, right? So let's do a 10-second countdown here. And then whoever my mouse lands on, that's going to be the winner. So I'm actually just going to click and try and see if we can grab one of you guys. So 10 seconds. And the winner of the first 25K challenge account goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Who's this? All right, Coffee Racer. W Coffee Racer. Look at this. Always commented in the chats. Thanks, man. Wow. W. Coffee Racer. Send me a message on Discord, please, my man. And let's go back. Back to business. Congratulations, bro. Yeah, send me a message on Discord. All right, now let's switch over to Discord and let's pick a winner from there. So let's go to giveaways. And we're spinning, man. We're spinning. Discord. Here we go. Let me jump down. All right. Yo, let's go. That'll be hero of the day. All right, so same thing. I'm just going to hopefully my mouse lands on someone and we'll pick that person here. So the winner, the second winner of the 25K challenge account goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is... No, let's go. W. You won. Yeah, I've been seeing this name often lately. Very often. Congratulations, you have won, my friend. Let's go ahead and move over here. Let's go back to the YouTube chat. And let's go back and forth here. Oh, what happened here? Connect. All right, cool. All right, so the third winner of the 25K challenge account, thanks to Top One Trader, goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. No. Nah, yo. Energy. Yo, energy. Wow. Nah. That's crazy. Yo, energy don't miss. Energy don't miss. Energy's legit won 3 random giveaways at this point. 3. Energy. How many 25K accounts do you have? God. Energy with the W. All right. Well, she was number 3, right? Yeah, number 3. All right, cool. So let's go ahead and do another one here. So the fourth energy, send me a message on Discord, please. So the fourth winner of the 25K challenge account from Top One Trader goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Boom. George. I think it's George. Tono won it. Tono spans W's in the chat. All right. Awesome. W. Congrats, Tono. All right, what should we do? The last one in the Discord or YouTube? D or Y? D or Y? No W's. D or Y? This is number 5 here. You guys pick. Y'all pick. Holy. I think I see a lot more YouTube. No, think I see a lot more Discord. All right, let's do it in the Discord. Discord's where the real ones are at. All right, so the winner, the final winner here of the 25K challenge account from Top 1 Trader goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Let me move my mouse. All right. 5. Oh. All right. Well, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is. Oh my gosh. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the winner is. Yo. All right. And the winner is. All right. Now I'm just clicking. All right. Whoever this is. Who are you? You. Who is that? All right, I messaged you on Discord. So you're the winner. We'll do one more here from the YouTube just to make it an even number. I know I'll probably just have to take care of that myself. But yeah, I want to get one more winner from YouTube. And then we'll kind of call it a day here. So the final winner, which is now 6. So 125,000 given away here today. And the final winner for this last 25K challenge account goes to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the winner is, who is it? Brad 20. Where is he? Where'd he go? Yeah, Brad, you're the winner, man. W. Where'd he go? He's gone. All right, that's it. 125K worth of giveaways there. 6 people with potential opportunities, man. W, guys. Oh, my God. Look at them all. Look at them all. They're gone. They gone.
Let's get it. W.
All right. Do we have another trade here? Ooh. We do not have another trade.
Oh, it looks like doo-doo.
Hey, if you guys did not win today, don't feel sorry. We're going to do more giveaways later on in the week.
Bro, you see me in the chat? I was trying. I
know. I seen John in there. I'm like, yo, this guy's trying to get a W here.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we'll do some more giveaways on either Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'm not sure which day yet, but don't miss any of them because they might pop in on one of those days. So don't miss anything. Actually, we won't be streaming on Wednesday, so it'll either be Tuesday, Thursday, or Friday. I'll let you guys know. Cool. All right, I think that's it for me. I think that's the day. One good trade here. There may be some opportunities a little bit later, but I don't see anything unfolding right now. The 1 hour closed below, so there's nothing there for me. 30-minute is got this resistance in the way. 15-minute time frame not looking the greatest. Buys really aren't looking too hot at this moment. So yeah, there's no clear price action. I think we if you guys took the buys at 9, that was a great trade. Trades at 9:30 were good. Other than that, I don't really see anything worth jumping into here. All right, so I think we're gonna dip out. Mr. and Mrs. 8-figure traders. What do you say, John?
Yes, sir. Sounds good, bro. Come back tomorrow and do the same damn thing.
That's it. Same stuff. All right,
Sure.
Cool. All right, John. I'll holler,
right,
man.
bro.
I guess no walk today, bro.
Peace. Nah,
I
bro,
guess no
let's go
walk.
on the walk. Just call me.
I guess
I'll
I'll
go
be
on a walk
walking.
here.
I'll be walking solo today.
Yeah, you go for a walk. I'll go for a walk. You go for a walk. Just give me a call.
All right, I'm down.
All right, bet.
All right, brother. I'll see you later.
All right, peace, dog.
Have fun.
Peace. Thanks.
Chat. Incredible live
Peace,
stream
chat.
here today. Later, Johnny boy.
Peace.
Way to stay disciplined. Way to stay professional. For all the Quakers, you're not that guy.
Look at that.
Just look at them. They're not that guy. No need to quake. For all you guys who held and just stayed confident in your position, W. Good job today. We'll come back and we'll do it all over again tomorrow. So love y'all. Hope you guys have a great one. Be great today. Don't slack off now that you're off the charts. Keep the momentum going. Remember what someone said. Hey, Nick, how do you work on emotions on the charts? It's time to carry that same emotion and that same composure into the rest of your day now. So love y'all. Be blessed there. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's up, ladies and gentlemen. Later. Mods, appreciate you guys. Got a trade. Louis G, YOLO Trader, George VDM, AB Mike. Thanks, guys. Love y'all. Later.
Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you give it. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Sweep me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve ain't by shame.